So let's take.
Oh shoot! Oh no!
No, don't end it. Don't. All right. Apparently we're live now.
I hit the wrong button.
Just you got the wrong button. We got 3 kids from Mineola, 3 kids from Papa. This is the UE Code Conquest. I think we got about 20 minutes before we get started. It's going to be a great stream. We're going to play through some CDPs I think, right at the end. So, yeah. Do you guys want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Grant. I'm Joe.
I'm Zaylin.
All right. So, and then.
Oh, I'm Steven. I don't know if you guys know me.
Sam.
And I'm Andrew. And,
Really?
Yeah, really? All right. So you can you sit back and relax. Like I said, we got. Oh, I think.
Oh, it went
up
up.
the time. I think we got 34 minutes.
Wow.
Till it starts. Now, if this is the first hackathon, yes. If this is the yeah. Okay. Does the machine have to be here? Yeah, that's really well connected to that guy. I think we were thinking this one. Oh, yeah. All right, really.
You can also move my
We're just trying to figure out some technical stuff. But like I was saying, if this is the first hackathon you're tuning into, up in the top left is the map. Okay, that's where all the stuff goes down. They got territories on there, basically. When your
Oh, should we be showing like the bottom of the map?
Yeah, let me
With a few territories hidden.
right is the leaderboard. Whoever is at the top and with the most points is probably winning. Sometimes mid-game they have some glitches, and that's not the case. But we'll if you got any questions, we got the chat up right now, Steven. If you want to read some stuff, you'd see.
Hi, chat.
We got a lot of people in there. All right, a lot of hellos, a lot of you can cheer for your team in the chat if you want.
That should be everything.
All right, we're going to be doing interviews all throughout the stream with different coaches. If you have a request for a school, we'll try our best to get them. We'll definitely do a hop hog, definitely do a Mineola, and the rest we'll just go off the chat, see what you guys have to say. The bottom camera is the room. It's a little blurry right now, but that's what's going on in front of us. All the kids just got to jump to you guys. If we plug that in, we got nation high, right? I'm getting you a longer cable. I just want to see if it like works. Hopefully, oh, there you go.
Oh no.
Sounds
Hey.
good. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. All right. Yeah, they wanted us behind us on the screen up there, so that's what we had to swap.
Wait, why couldn't they just put the YouTube video up there?
Yeah, that could have worked too. But, yeah.
Oh well.
All right. Well, like I said, we're going to be playing the Capital Defense Projects later, so that's why they must be standing there. The Capital Defense Projects are just projects that were made, in any coding language before the competition starts. So, before today. And then any challenge made today or any project made today is able to be submitted. Anything else cannot be submitted.
I'm excited. This is fun.
All right, yeah. We got 60 people in the stream right now. Again, you can root for your team in chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe too. All right, guys, this is your first live stream.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Have you talked to your team?
Yeah.
Hold the mic.
We have, yeah. They seem really excited about it.
All right, yeah. So did the Hop On kids. I'm excited to get started. Sometimes they'll move the start time up. If it's like, say, right now it's 30 minutes away. Sometimes they'll move it up, just depending on how ready the room is, how ready the mentors are. So we'll have to see. We'll keep you guys updated on that. But right now, I think we got every team in the house. Some of them are still setting up somewhere on the bleachers. As you can see on the left of the screen, those are the bleachers. Again, kind of blurry.
Sorry about that.
We'll try to get that figured out. Let's see. All right.
Hello.
Here, it's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you ready to have these guys as your guests?
Oh yeah.
Did you prep them?
Oh,
I heard you guys are the professionals, so you have to match them. Yes.
yep.
What you
No.
Laugh.
Sure. Maybe what we'll do, we'll make the screen behind us full screen.
So we got a question.
Yeah.
Is West Hempstead being interviewed?
Yeah, we'll make sure to interview West Hempstead. Again, anyone you put in chat, we will try our best to get. If you guys have any questions about the map too, we'll definitely try our best to answer them. We know even for every. I think we're gonna start getting some announcements too. Might be a little hard to do. We got 20 teams today. A lot if you tuned into our junior stream. 20 we got about I think 19 more. No, not 19, sorry, 9.
That's like a lot.
There's a
of
lot.
people.
It's a lot of people. 20 teams, 8 kids per team. Do the math.
160.
I mean, I could have done
Oh,
the
okay.
math. I meant like,
Gotcha.
that's like an expression. I'm not that dumb.
160.
Yeah, no,
We don't know that.
I got no. All right. So I'm just getting all our lists set up. See what else we got going on in chat. Please interview iSlip. All right, we'll make sure to do it. Steven, if you want to write these down, maybe somewhere, that would be good too. Trying their best to get everyone on the bleachers. Once everyone's on the bleachers, they can start. All right. Also, if there's any issues throughout the stream with how it sounds or how it looks, please let us know and we will try our best to fix it. Sometimes you guys notice it before we do, just because we can't keep. All right, Steven's got a list going of all the teams you guys want interviewed, so we'll make sure to get them all. By the way, if you didn't know, this is a 3-hour event, so I don't know, grab something to drink, grab something to eat,
Grab
settle in.
popcorn.
It's gonna be a while,
I want
but
popcorn.
I'm excited.
Goes by really fast.
Once the event starts, yeah, it goes really fast. And there's a lot to talk about. So,
You think we could have been getting popcorn made?
could we get some popcorn made? I'm not sure. Maybe we can limit. Yeah, and like I said, if you guys have any questions about the actual game itself, if you're not too familiar, we will help out with.
Oh my gosh, waters.
Got some waters. We got a lot of candy.
Yes.
People love when we talk about the candy on the screens. Well, at least it will last time. If you're tuning in and you watch the junior one, yes, we're different people. We run the TSARP channel, but last time we were competing in it.
Oh,
I sent the link to the elementary teachers.
oh wow.
Right.
All right, nice.
All right, so let's take a little deep dive into the map here. You will see 3 flags on the map. Those are called quizzes, sometimes also auto gates. And like it sounds, quizzes are just multiple choice questions. Sometimes not. Sometimes you do have to like rearrange some code blocks, but most of the time it's multiple choice. And then once you do those, you can access most of the rest of the territories, or at least the territories that border that flag. And then you kind of work outwards. In the bottom right, you see those people on skis. Those are good people.
Once you're set up, you're up for the teachers. Again, once you're set up, please head out for the teachers. Thank you.
We just had an
What is
announcement
that?
there.
$44. Time is back.
Let's see holding bunch then.
So,
Oh, that's
yeah, those
KidOYO.
guys on skis, those are the capital offense projects. Again, those are the projects made before the competition starts. All right, so if you guys didn't know, we have 3-time hackathon winners here, so we know all about this competition.
I love it.
And
It's
again,
awesome.
any questions, we can answer them. And then also, you guys, how many hackathons have
I've
been
been
in?
me and Zalen have been in 4.
4. All right, so we're the people that ask for sure.
Someone said all the schools should be interviewed technically.
Oh yeah, we'll try our best to get all of them, but again, 20 schools, so it's a lot. It's really hard to go to all of them. We also try to get some of the mentors in, so it's a lot to go.
Bill is in the house.
The few late arriving teams, so they're just trying to get them onto the bleachers.
There's not much room left on the bleachers though.
Yeah,
It's the
Yeah, how
gigabytes.
people
we're
fit
gonna
in.
have to squeeze in there to fit, but
Thanks, the gigabytes.
The gigabytes, yeah.
all right, I can't wait to take a look at some of these projects. It's gonna be awesome. I saw on Twitter that Mentor Melora said she was taking a look at all the banners and logos and CDP. She said they're awesome. If you guys didn't know, there's 3 competitions after the actual competition. That's the logo, the banner, and the CDP competition. So even if you don't win the whole event, you can win one of the smaller awards like Best CDP, Best Logo, and Best Banner. If you want to take a look at the banners, Steven, if you could send a link to look at all the banners in chat, that would be great. All the logos are kind of small, but you can see them on the leaderboard there. Every team starts with 1 point, but you can end with 0. So it's very interesting to see. Steven, 60 to you.
There's no fantastic, there's 2 banners.
I think there's 2 teams per minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
in the bar. I forget. There's 2 schools. That's it. All right, so Steven's just sending the link to the banners in chat now. So you should have those right now. But there's a little bit of a stream delay too, so you might take this. Wow. Some people just said, hey, I love the energy in the room. For every hackathon, there's so much excitement. For a lot of people, this is their first hackathon. So they're very excited. I can't wait. Can't wait to see the winner.
Yeah.
We'll try to get an interview with the winning one. Thank you guys can hear the announcement. Yeah, it might be a little difficult. There's a lot of noise in the room, so we got some noise canceling mics, so you can really only hear us.
Can I put this on? Should I put this on the wall? You know what?
No. Yes, we got noise canceling mics, which are great because you don't hear all the background noise, hopefully, in the room, because there's a lot of it. But the only problem is then you can't really hear the announcements. But if you keyed in on anything, if there's a time where we just randomly stop talking, probably because we're trying to listen. Yeah. We got some school principals and superintendents here. So it's very small.
All right, Sunday. We are going to get started now. So if I can see that everyone is good.
That's
Excited.
But never mind with that.
Well, I might have a little bit of connection issue because the Wi-Fi here is being used by all these students. Maybe we'll try to get on a different one. Sometimes we're able to do that, so we don't know.
Someone said to interview the shining stars. Someone said to interview the shining stars. Did you? Oh, okay.
Once the actual
My bad.
competition starts, we'll try to get on a different Wi-Fi. Yeah, we're dropping frames.
Yeah.
This is not good, guys. I
Try to-
repeat, this is not good.
No, it's fine. Just write in the chat.
The 6th annual Code Conquest Hackathon. Today is a really exciting day, not just because we're all here for the hackathon. We have our youngest competitors in the house with grades 4 and 5. We have our largest division and largest event yet. This is 20 teams competing head to head here. Overall, the whole season has 60 teams, and here in the OYOClass School District, just down the hall teams, and now the league has 60 teams in it. So I'd just like to take a minute. You make this possible. This would not be here for the kids if it wasn't for you. So thank you. You're all amazing, and you've done an awesome job getting here. I'd also like to thank some of the people that are here to help set up. This was a major event to set up. There was not even electricity and Wi-Fi in this building last week. So the amount of work that the staff here has put in, the custodial team, the AV team, the leadership here, the principal, Ms. Personality, you've done an amazing job. We also have the leadership team here too. So we have Dr. Smith, who helps lead really everything, technology, curriculum, and he was here putting up with KidOYO in the early days too, so we're super thankful. And before I announce our next speaker here, I just want to say something to all of the teams. This is really important. Behind the scenes are judges. They are real people. They are mentors, and they are going to work really hard over the next 3 hours to probably judge projects upwards of 1,500 projects likely. So my tip and advice to you is do not spam the judges. That means if they have said to change something in the project, don't submit the same project. What happens is you start to get known by the judges, and they start to think that you're just spamming the projects over and over. So if you're not sure and you have a question, raise your hand. Your coaches can find either myself or Mentor Trish, who is back there. We all know Mentor Trish, who has pulled all of this together too. And for those of you unaware, we have student broadcast teams over here. This is a dual effort between Hawpog's TSARP group, and we have the Mineola team coming in to help. So this is going to be really cool.
What's up?
Make sure to check these guys out. They're amazing. They're on Twitter. They have their own channel. You can subscribe. And they're going to be going over all of the capital defense projects that were submitted, talking about them, showing them off. So it's a cool view. Make sure you check them out. And last but not least, one of the true visionary leaders, probably the most amazing one that I've ever met personally myself, 2020 New York State Superintendent of the Year, and most recently, the National Digital Superintendent of the Year, Dr. Mike Nagler.
All right. So welcome to Middle School. And I had a flashback 6 years ago when we started this idea to have a hackathon. And I was told that 4th and 5th graders could not code. And they couldn't do a hackathon because it was a high school thing. Do you believe that? Yeah, I think so, because I think you guys are the proof that everybody can code and we can have an awesome event. So I am so excited to have all of you here this morning, and I hope you're ready. I hope you have enough junk on the table to put sugar in the system to get great projects going. Are you ready? Okay. I'm a little partial to the Cyber Mustangs. I have a little, bias toward them. But I want to wish everyone here the best of luck and have fun. That's what it's about. So welcome, and let's get this thing started.
All right, just hold on 1 second. Don't go to your tables. We have one more person to bring in, our announcer, our MC at all of our events, the one and only Matt Lamar, the Dom King. Oh, Dom King, did you oversleep?
My God,
Oh my
it's
God.
beautiful.
Laura, I'm so sorry. I was so excited for the hackathon. I slept over here last night and then I overslept. So glad I woke up. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I am. I apologize for oversleeping. The hack is back. Who's ready for winter conquest? You know, it's funny, I'm not even going to ask twice. You know how the announcer always says, oh, you could do better than that. I don't think you could do better than that. That was pretty damn good. So, awesome job. Let's go. The hack is back. When I announce your team name, please report to the field of clay. Starting us off from Amityville, the Park Avenue Memorial Elementary School, with their coach, Timothy Quinn. Please welcome the Amityville Gigabyte with their captain, Mr. E. Gigabyte. Come on down. From Belmore, the Shore Road School, with their coach, Lauren McHale and Lauren DeStefano Perdone. Please welcome the Shining Star Coders with their captain, the Glitch Hacker. Come on down. Go Stars. Good luck.
Oh, Andrew.
From Bethpage,
No,
the
I-
Central Boulevard Elementary School, with their coach, Ashley Scotto. Please welcome the Code Busters with their captain, Ryoko. Also from Bethpage, the Charles Campaign Elementary School with their coach, Phyllis Ivers. The Campaign Crazy Coders with their captain, Crystal Daya.
So we're going.
Also from the Framing School with their coach, Andrea Slycourt. Please welcome the Crystal Codes with AD Koala Coder as their captain. Come on down. From Cold Spring Harbor, the Lloyd Harbor Elementary School with their coach, Margaret Deal. The Lloyd Harbor Flyers with their captain, Will Animatus. Also representing Cold Spring Harbor, the Westside Elementary School with their coach, Erica Freiberg. Please welcome the Westside Whalers with their captain, Louis the Coder. We got some Wildcat pride right now from East Williston, the Northside Elementary School with their coaches, Michael Mazer and Perry Wu. Please welcome the Northside Super Sprites with Bobby M as their captain. Also representing East Williston, the Willits Road School with their coach, Chris Kanuika. The Willits Road Hack to the Future with their captain, Andy. I gotta make sure I get this next one right, because if my car gets towed in the parking lot, I'm gonna need to ride home from these guys. Representing Eastport South Manor, the Eastport Elementary School, with their coach, Mary Claire Herrera. Please welcome the Shark Bites with their captain, OYOClass. Also from ESM, the Dayton Avenue School, with their coach, Liz Andriossi. Please welcome the Hacker Sharks with their captain, the Grip Patch. From Hop Hop, the elementary at-large team, representing all, Brentwoods, Forest Brook, and the Pines. Please welcome Carrie Pecoraro, Audrey Valero, your coaches, the Hop Hop Coding Eaglets, with their captain, the Monkey Man.
Yeah.
From Islip, the Sherwood Elementary School, with their coaches, Kenneth Bailey and Megan Savoll. Please welcome the Sherwood Hackathon with their captain, Johnny Dollar da Silva. Also from Islip, the Colmack Road Elementary School, with their coaches, Frederick Stroh and Elizabeth Fazio. Please welcome the Iceland Hackers with their captain, Phil McGar. From Locust Valley, the Locust Valley Intermediate School, with their coach, Annie Joyce. Please welcome the Falcon Hackers with their captain, the Hacker, which is H Part CK3R. Representing the coding dynasty of Manhasset, from Shelter Rock Elementary School, with their coach, the Venerable Dina Marilesi, the Shelter Rock Storm, with their captain, Ice Cold Science. Also from the Manhasset Coding Dynasty, from Muncie Park Elementary School, with their coach, Debbie Costello. Please welcome the Muncie Park Tigers and their captain, Hacking Tennis. Representing the Ram fam, from West Hempstead, George Washington Elementary School, their coach, the Coding Pearl, Darrell Perlo. Please welcome the Charging Rams, with their captain, the Cheese Cookie Lover 123. And now, your home team, representing the Mineola Middle School, with their coaches, the Nightmare Duo, the Hacking Mama, Kelly Santos, and Ellen Double M McGlade McCulloch. Please welcome the Cyber Mustangs, your home team, with their captain, the Tangy Mango. And now, your reigning and defending champions, from Locust Valley, the Bayville Intermediate Schools, with their coach, Dana Schultz, the Bayville Program Shaker, with their captain, famous Willie Gay. There's the champs. Here come the champs. Okay, I'm now gonna turn it over to the KidOYO father, the one and only Big Dev. Thank you, Dev.
Oh man, I love Devon. Dev. He's such a great guy.
Three, two, one.
Right, I think they just started it up. Yeah. Oh. I subscribe to your song.
We don't know what mic's working in.
Yeah. All right. Well, I hope you all can hear us. How about swap that? So
Okay.
what just happened is all the teams walked down. I hope you guys were able to see that. Then they had Dev, one of the founders of KidOYO, come on to talk about the event. And then the game just started. So all the teams are able to access the map now. And they're taking a look at what they want to try to accomplish. See, all right, we're loading, we're getting the map on all of our displays. By the way, I hope you guys could see, I know one of the cameras is very blurry, the other one is not, so we tried to swap them around a little bit so you guys could see the best. But right now, I mean, there's not a lot to see in front of us, right? That's why the blurry camera is there. They're just all kind of sitting down and coding. Right now, again, the map is on the top left and the leaderboard is on the right. By the way, the number in the bottom right is our subscriber count. A lot of people want to come over and take pictures, and they don't always realize we're live, so that's why we sometimes have to look away and smile at the camera. But yeah, all right. Once obviously the map starts filling up, you'll see that color pop up on the top left and the leaderboard start to change. But until then, again, we're kind of just waiting to see. I mean, we hear the excitement in the room, some chatter about what's going on. Yeah, I can see from, my screen. Yeah. Oh, did someone just... Oh yeah, someone just took something on the map. They just took one of the quizzes. That was Amityville.
First to get it.
Congrats to Amityville. Oh, and the Falcon hackers from Locust Valley, both on the map, taking some territories there. Pretty exciting.
That was a lot quicker than we did.
Yeah.
This was a lot quicker than ours.
I don't know if I was able to complete my sentence, but in the bottom right's our subscriber count. That's what that number was, or is. Not very exciting unless you want to subscribe. You can see it go up during the live stream. Yeah, I guess don't forget to like, subscribe. That's for what? Oh my god, 4 people already. 4 people on the map. There we got Shelter Rock and the Code Busters from Bethpage. Shelter Rock is Manhasset.
I'm gonna get the map up here so you can see it.
Okay.
I feel like this was a record time to get into the map.
Yeah, that was really quick. That might be record time, honestly.
Oh, what's attacking the side?
If someone can just clarify in chat that you can hear us well, at least. I think you can, the thing is you can only hear me well, from what I know. Well, Steven, say something, Steven.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, you can hear Steven.
Hello, hello.
You can hear Grant. You
can't
can't
put
be.
this in
I don't know if you can hear Sam, but all right. We probably should have done this earlier when they introduced themselves down there. That's who they were. We got 2 people on the end there, and then we got Steven off to the right. Steven.
Over here.
Yeah. It's just a big table and not a very big camera, so we're trying to keep it centered in the middle if we can. Yeah.
What's a wheelchair? Whoa.
All right.
The Muncie Park just got the quiz too.
Okay, we got even more people
five.
getting some stuff. Muncie
Seven.
Park from
Is it 7?
Manhasset. Hop Hop
Hop
Coding
Hop.
Eagles through the gate too. They got one of the quizzes. Willits
Willis
Road
Road.
Hacker. Willits Road
Hack to the
Hack.
future.
Hack to the Future. Another one just popped up too. The Shining Star Coders. Another one, West Side Whalers. Again, goes really
This
fast.
was a lot quicker than ours.
Oh yeah, a lot quicker than the junior one that all of us competed in
Yeah.
just a little over a month ago.
Shark Bites, Lloyd Harbor Lions,
All right, we got a look.
Fayetteville. Oh, Fayetteville got another one.
Yeah, Lloyd Harbor Lions.
We got
Huh?
Great. A lot going on currently. Bayville, the reigning champs, in the lead with 3 points. Normally, we'll start the interviews maybe 15 minutes after the game starts.
Once the map starts getting filled up.
Give the coach a second to get their team organized. Yeah, currently Bayville in the lead, but 2 of the quizzes have attacks on them and have people owning them. That's a good question. I don't know if you could hear Sam, but Sam said that is the top one the hardest, because that's the only one no one has right now. Probably. I wonder what's on it. The other thing is anyone can own quizzes, like multiple people can own them, but only one person can own one of the other territories. Again, the quizzes are the ones with the flags on them. All right, let's see. We got a lot of cheering in chat. We have Let's Go Gigabytes. We have a lot of gigabytes, actually. Let's
Shelter
Go
Rock gets the other one.
Northside. Super Sprites. I can't. It's very far from me. Amityville we have in there. Go Rams. Go ESM Sharks. We got a lot.
Shelter Rock got the other quiz.
Shelter Rock, all right. Got the other quiz tied. We got 3 people.
So did the
tied
Lloyd
for
Harbor
first.
Lions.
Lloyd Harbor, Shelter Rock, and Bayville. Let's see. Shining Stars have 3. Okay, so 4 people tied for 3. Like I said earlier, some of the maps end up getting outdated. Like I can already see, like 2 of the maps right now are out of sync, just because again, so many people loading these things. So it's very hard to keep going. That's not something in our control, but if anything does go wrong with the live stream, let us know, because that is in our control. We did have a little bit of an internet problem earlier on, but I'm checking everything and we're doing a lot better now. So let's hope it stays that way. Obviously, bottom camera is some of the problem, but
Amityville gets the other quiz.
all right.
No one's gotten that top one yet.
No, we got 5 people tied with us. All right.
Look how many people are tied for second.
Yeah. By the way, if a game ends in a tie, which it did last year, I think that was the first time it ever happened. Very exciting to see, because we were live streaming that one last year. If it ends in a tie, they just put it on for, I think, another either 5 or 10 minutes. And then it keeps going. It's only ever ended, I think, in a 2-way tie. So anything more than that would be very, very slow.
A couple territories got attacked.
All
what
right,
about
we
a
got some
5-way?
territories being attacked there. All the territories with the red squares on them, with the numbers sometimes, that means that those are being attacked by different teams. So, very exciting to see. It's probably very exciting, very stressful for these teams, but a good kind of stress, a fun type of stress, you know. It's all fun and games, right? Everyone's here to have fun, and then secondly, win. But yeah, I know from experience how much fun it is to be in one of these competitions.
The Hop Hop Code Eaglets get the first territory.
All right, Hop Hop Code Eagles getting the first territory.
Eaglets. Did I say that?
Eaglets, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
We're the Eagles, they're the Eaglets.
North side gets their first quiz.
All right. Let's see. So, Hop Hog's tied for first with the rest of them.
people tied for first.
Nine people tied for first. Quite a game we have here, everyone. By the way, again, to kind of break down the map here, the Eaglets right now have one of the territories, but they only have one quiz, which is why they're tied for first, and they're not,
Winning.
not in first. It's because some people have
Oh, now
two
they are.
quizzes. Oh, now they're in first
Okay.
with 4 points.
Spoke a little too soon.
Very exciting right off the bat.
Yep. Again, like I said before the game started, all the action happens as soon as they let that map open up, and that's what's happening. It's hard to keep up, but I think we're doing pretty well right now.
Top quiz is still not.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think like all like these teams, like that's might be the toughest quiz, and that's the one they're going for.
You're probably
And the Cyber Mustangs get their first quiz.
right. Cyber
Nice.
Mustangs through. What Sam was just saying. You had said. No, I'm forgetting. You can't hear Sam. Let's try to get a mic hooked up to Sam. Do you guys want to share that one? I think that would work better.
That's one that it also picks up.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Testing.
What?
Oh yeah, that mic kind of picked it up.
Oh.
All right. Well, we're trying to get it all worked out here, but yeah, there is a. I wonder if does that cause an echo?
Huh?
Oh, the first is.
Every year, we innovate our setup. Like even earlier in the year, we had a totally different camera for the bottom. That one was pretty bad, so we updated to this one. This one has some issues, but we're always trying. We're live streaming at least one more of these streams in the season. We're collabing with Beth Page on that one, so that's gonna be fun. Tune in, you'll probably see us there too. But all right, we'll get our interviews going in probably a good 3 minutes.
Do you want to wait to the when you're doing singular games?
Sure. Yeah, we can do that. That'll work. Yeah.
Alright, so just plan when we get started.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Who do you think we should interview first, even if you want to pull up the list of all the people we got that people wanted?
Yeah,
so we
West
got West
Hempstead.
Hempstead, Islip Hackers, and Shining Stars. Remember, type your teams in. We'll go for the ones we have on the list first.
Oh,
But if we run out, obviously we'll go to other teams. We'll try to get as many as we can, but sometimes it's hard. All right, let me see if I can go get the first one. Shoot.
Couple
People
territories,
tied for
yep.
First, there we got the
Oh,
Hop
wow.
Hog, Coding Eaglets, West Side Whalers, and the Lloyd Harbor Lions. All right, let me go find our first person to interview.
Should we come with? Yeah, I'm not right there.
Yes. Welcome to the TSARP show.
Yeah, 3 people
Alright,
tied
yeah.
for first.
We have
Casey, I
3
didn't
people
count.
tied
Oh,
for
we
first
can.
so far. Oh no, Eaglets just took first with 5 points.
Oh, right.
I mean, me personally, I wouldn't.
it's gonna be
I
a
wouldn't
lot of
take
points
that.
at the end of this.
Is he gonna introduce him?
We'll make room, I guess.
This is a very even.
No,
game
it's
so
Lloyd
far.
Harbor.
This is like
Yeah,
mine's really good.
Somebody has attacked the Lord Harbor Lions territory.
it's kind of crazy.
Still, no one has gotten that top quiz yet. Might be tough.
Steven's messing around with the screen here.
The
I don't know if
quiz?
he's okay.
No,
It's alright.
in case you don't know how the map works, it'll like Andrew explained it earlier, but in case you tune in late, each like quiz or the flag, once you get it, that's what you have access to at the start. It gives you access to all the territories near it. And then the more inward territories you get by getting the ones that are bordering it. So right now, Northside just got that their third territory. Hop Hog's the first one to get that top territory. Top quiz, sorry. What do we got? Okay. We're going to be watch out.
It's just funny.
Hold on. I'll stand up.
Everyone's leaving.
Wait, I'm not sure where we're.
Yeah. You want the mic?
Where do you want me to go?
Oh.
Are you speaking?
Yeah, no, you can take it.
We are currently
Not
setting
get
up an
my share.
interview, so
Yeah.
we're gonna be off for a bit.
Yeah. Want to sit in that chair, Grant? You guys can share that mic. We'll share it line. Okay. So we got Coach Santos from Mineola here. How's your team doing?
I think they're doing good. We had a little trouble just opening the map in the beginning. A lot of them were in the the live stream map rather than the actual map. So we got past that. Everyone's working on something.
Okay.
Yep.
Great. Obviously, before the competition starts, there's the CDP, the logo, the banner. How did your CDP go?
I think it came out really good. One of our team members, Emmett, he really took the lead on all the coding and, you know, put a lot of work into it. And everyone like did parts of the art and came up with the idea. So, I mean, we'll see later, but hopefully they get top 3 for it.
Yeah, great. I'm excited to see it. We got the banners up there. They're
Yeah.
all looking pretty good. Can't wait to see that competition.
Yeah.
We also have a list of all the CDPs, so we'll go through them too.
Awesome.
All right. So who's your team captain? How are they doing?
Our team captain is Grant's brother, Clark. First time captain, first time hackathon. He's doing a great job so far.
Great. All right, and let's go over to the banner. Do you have like an artist, a specific artist on your team?
We had 2 of the girls work on the banner and then Clark did the logo. So everyone kind of had their hands in something. So, yeah.
Wait, we seeing any Python on the map, or is it really all Hatch?
I honestly haven't had a chance to look yet. So far, I've just seen Hatch and Sprite Editor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Glad to see. Did you guys prepare a Python person?
We have one person that can do Python if there is Python, but we'll see if it's on the map. I don't think it's on this
Yeah, I
age
don't
group's
think
map. No.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Any questions? No. All right.
It's all good. All right. Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
All right. So.
Okay.
Okay.
Interviewers.
All right.
All right.
so
Looking at the map.
we like to keep our interviews, you know, we ask all the important questions, right? We try to keep them a little brief because these captains are really busy trying to get their teams in order, especially in the beginning. As we kind of go into the middle, we can make them a little more.
Lloyd Harbor Lions has taken first place.
Okay.
By 6 points, yeah.
Lloyd Harbor Lions, first place.
4 people got that top quiz so far.
Hop Hog in second, and that's 4 people tied for third, I believe. Oh, there we go.
There's a lot of attacks on like the same territories.
Yeah.
Like you can
It's
access
hard
a lot.
to see. I'm trying to always look at the most updated, but it's hard to check that sometimes. Looks like we're getting a little more internet issues now. We're gonna end up going in and out a little bit.
There's a lot of attacks on like the same territories because like you have access to so many, but they're all like clustered.
Yeah, we see 2 attacks
Yeah.
down at the bottom there.
Might be some like the easier ones.
Oh, wait, I think no, that
Top still isn't attacked.
yeah, the top was still not attacked. I'm just gonna take my mic off and hold it between us.
Your map might be a little delayed
Yeah, mine might be a little delayed, I think.
because there's like a couple who have to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I don't. Hard to find the most. Hopefully, you guys. There's also a map link if you guys want to open that on your own, Steven. Maybe if you want to send that in the chat too. Okay, Steven's trying to get it. Yeah. I mean, if you want commentary, if you want to figure out what's actually happening, but if you want the most live updated score, you can go to the map view. You know, KidOYO is always improving their software and stuff. They do an amazing job hosting these events. So hopefully, as time goes on, they'll figure out a way to keep them all in sync. But also, it's just a Wi-Fi thing here. When everyone's in the room, or every computer's in the room. Some computers most computers on the same Wi-Fi.
We have another update. Hop Hog is tied for first with 6 points with Lloyd Harbor Lions.
It can't be biased.
A lot of competition.
All right. Hop Hog Coding Eagles, Lloyd Harbor Lions.
Hop Hog has defended an attack against defended an attack against the Shining Star Coders.
Let's take a look at what the reigning champs are doing. Bayville's currently are they tied for what is it? Is that third place?
Yeah.
They're tied.
4.
Yeah.
Wait.
Third place Bayville's tied for. Let's see. I can't remember during the last competition if they were always kind of like towards the front or if that was kind of like a last second run up or not completely sure. But we'll have to see what they do this competition.
Pretty interesting with the high last year.
Yeah, that tie last year was crazy.
Muncie Park took a territory, getting in second.
All right. Changing the leaderboard every few seconds. Yep, Muncie Park Tigers in second, and Hop Hog and Lloyd Harbor Lions still tied for first. Always exciting to see. Let's see. Let's take a look at chat. We see Go Eaglets, Go
Hit the live stream and
Crazy Coders, Go Lions, Go Tigers, Go Willets. Letters, right? Yep. Go Sharks, Go Sharks. All right. A lot of stuff. When it imagine the coaches just get in the chat, start spamming their team. Yeah, we love to see the excitement in chat. It's always amazing. By the way, if you guys didn't know, we TSARP live streams daily technology news Monday through Friday. If you are into that type of thing, you can tune in. If your kids would be into that type of thing, let them know. Yeah, it's great. You can always subscribe so you don't forget that name of it.
There's a lot more attacks on the map now. There's a lot more attacks now. Hop Hog is in danger, and we have some on some white territories that are unclaimed so far.
Bunch of attacks on Hop Hog, a bunch of attacks on the map.
Wait, did Hop?
Do you know anything about Hot Dog strategy?
No,
I don't know anything about it.
I know that. No, I don't really know. We'll have to figure out in one of the interviews with the Hop Hog people.
Can I get the mic?
Oh, someone took the top quiz.
Oh.
Did we say that?
Oh,
Four
yeah,
people.
yeah.
We said that, but I didn't know. All right.
You might have been getting the.
I was
yeah.
probably away. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I get the next?
Sure. Go find something.
Do you have any team in particular?
Let's take a look at the list. Let's see. So we did Mineola just because they were home team.
Yeah.
But let's do West Hempstead.
Okay.
The Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
After them, should we like review the first CDP?
No, I think we're supposed to wait.
Oh,
till the
okay.
map Ends. I'll check. the-
Ends or like?
till it. Judgment starts. I think. I'll have to
Okay.
All right. So.
Oh, a
let's
lot of attacks. Okay.
prepare for this new interview, we should probably back up.
Lloyd Harbor Lions has taken solo first with 7 points, and Muncie Park Tigers right behind them with 6.
We got some wires here trying to avoid. And then I do have a splash screen I could go to in between interviews, but it might get a little annoying. All right, here comes our first guest over here.
Right.
So
Andrew, hi. Nice to meet you last year. I'm Mrs. Carlo, and you're Mineola.
Yep.
I'm a Mineola mom. My kids are playing here. So I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of my team too.
all right, so if you want to come around.
I'm gonna sit.
Yeah, oh yeah. Here.
Mike, you guys have gotten very fancy. I've been following you for a long time. Okay, do I need to just hold it? Okay, great.
All right, so you're from West Hempstead, right? The Rams?
Yes, yes.
Right, so how's your team doing?
They are really excited. They're a young team. All of them are new except for one. So we have a few fourth graders and they're really happy to be here.
All right, so how did your CDP go?
We had a little hiccup with it and we weren't able to submit the entire thing, but what they submitted, I was very proud of.
All right, so again, we got the banners and logos up there. Do you have a specific artist on your team?
We have two. Our captain, Joanne, is a great artist. And then we have an excellent sprite editor. Our fourth grade student, Alan, is excellent as sprite editor.
All right, so have you had a second to look at the map? Do we?
Not at all, but I'm really excited about it and all the challenges.
Right. We got 3 quizzes on the map this year. How has your team done?
We did one quiz. I think they're working on a second one. I'm not sure, but I think they're working on the second one. They want to try and work on it and see what they can come up with.
All right. Well, I'm excited to see how this competition goes. We're really early on, so I can't wait to see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you guys do a great job. I'm very proud of all of you. You did great. Are you all middle schoolers?
Y'all are in 8th grade.
You're in
Yeah.
8th grade, so you're at the high school?
Yeah.
And did they inspire you to make this?
They had invited.
Yeah.
Really? Oh, that was nice. That was good. Oh, I'm sure you're all gonna do wonderful and have a great day.
Thank you.
Can't wait to see you guys on like sports radio or something cool.
Right. So that was the Rams coach, if you couldn't tell. So all right, let's see who else do we got on the list just for future reference. We'll keep a little space in between our interviews, but just to see. All right, next up we're gonna probably do the Islip Hackers. All right. If you guys have any specific questions you want us to ask, again, I try to keep them kind of brief because like the coaches are saying, they don't even have they don't even have a second to look at the map yet, so I'm just really trying to keep them brief, give you a little update on how the team's doing, how they did pre-hackathon.
Shelter Rock ties for first. Sorry to interrupt you there, but
No. All right, yeah, let's look. Lloyd Harbor Lions and Shelter Rock Storm both tied for first, 7 points. Let's see. All right, so trying to get.
there hasn't been an attack yet on like the more inner territories. Those are worth 2 points.
Yeah.
So
All right, yeah. All of them are really on the outskirts there. We do have one territory up by that top quiz. So that's probably pretty worth it to try to get that quiz because it gives you access to a lot of territories up there. So very important. Strategy is a big thing. I try not to ask the coaches that because I do know that some kids during the competition do have the live stream up. So I try not to ask too specifically about strategy. Yeah. As it gets towards the end of the competition, maybe I could kind of go into that.
if you're watching this and you're supposed to be coding for the hackathon, go code for the
Yeah,
hackathon.
but code. A lot more important.
Your team probably needs you to code more
Yeah,
than watch
thank you
this.
for the views, but please go back to your team, make them win.
Like and subscribe before you leave, though.
Oh yeah, make sure. Yeah.
Make sure to drink water or you might die.
That was a big thing when we had Lewis and Joseph on for the junior hackathon. They said to drink water a lot. They're very right, especially when you can't stop talking when you're on a live stream. Yeah. Why? We're legally required to eat all the candy on the tables. We don't come back. They don't invite us back if we don't.
They paid for the candy, so.
Yeah. All right. Still 2 tied first. Same people. Exciting. I see a lot of defenses. All right. In the combat log. You guys can't see that. We can, so we'll read that out to you guys when we think there's something important. But a lot of it is just people attacking and not being successful. Sometimes that's from bugs. Sometimes that's from their project not being as good in a category as another, maybe not as good as art or not as good as coding, something like that. But they can keep trying over and over again. There's no limit as long as they're not spamming the same exact project. Right. Let's see. Should we start towards another interview? Islip Hackers. Yeah, I can go get them. I can go.
He also has his mic if you want to. There are a lot of attacks that happen early in the game. It's actually really cool to see, as you can see by all the, red boxes on all the territory.
A lot of attacks on a lot of territories. I haven't.
Oh.
3 attacks on one of Lloyd Harbor Lions' territories.
How many teams are competing here today?
Exactly 20. Large
Exactly
stepper.
20. So, we're good.
Thank you.
At the end of the competition, are we allowed to have a bagel? There are still 3 teams that haven't gotten the quizzes yet. So 3? Because you said there's 20, right? 2 teams.
Some teams like to go for like a what's it called? Like a late approach, basically. They like get all the projects in, and then towards the end, they like attack. So they could just make like good projects.
It's actually very cool sometimes. Like sometimes they don't have anything, and then the last hour they submit everything that they have and they've been working on for 2 hours straight. And with that, it's kind of like do like an overwhelming rush in that time, and it's like take over the leaderboard.
You guys did that once, right? For like the 6th grade one.
You know what I did last time?
Last time I happened to be making a project for 10 minutes before the end and last minute, last second, literally.
And it won. Didn't win.
So purple.
It appears Andrew cannot find the coach because he's just been walking around. And he's looking for the color of the banner by looking up on the bleachers. Oh, now he's just talking to his coach. He might be bringing another one over if the iSlip hackers are busy doing something currently.
We've had viewers. Thank you all for watching so far.
We were at 100 before.
Oh.
Like before we hit like 117.
Oh. Oops. Thank you for watching anyways. Well, I think we have one attack on an inner territory. I'm not looks like there's some errors.
Andrew, what happened? Andrew.
Yeah.
This mic has to be connected.
That's my cat.
No, it's connected to that one.
All right. Anyway, basically,
Yeah, we all got mics now.
It says error.
Yeah, that just means there's like an internet error.
Oh.
okay. Let's do. Sam, freaking bias.
I'm not biased. I just have bad memory.
I'm messing with them. All right.
Oh,
The
Shining
shining stars. All right, let me go get them.
Alright.
After this,
Ryan,
that's
no.
not
Bayville gets a territory. Oh, something happened. Now the West Side Whalers are currently in first.
Yeah,
That's interesting.
it appears that the lines have been pulled down because one of their territories were defeated.
And the West Side Whalers just passively on their first.
Bagel right now.
I don't know.
You can't.
As we check the
Oh, it's
leader
Wilt's Road.
at Winter Conquest. Right now, the West Side Whalers are off to a quick start. They're in the lead, followed very closely by the Shelter Rock Storm. Right behind them, tied up, is the Lloyd Harbor Lions.
Viewers are
And not too far behind are the Muncie Park Tigers and the Islip Hackers. In a three-way tie.
The internet's cutting in and
Plenty of
out.
time
Just
left.
hang on. It'll be better if you can hear this.
Sam, is that an extra mic right next? Like otherwise in the one that Andrew left
No,
behind?
that one isn't working for some
Oh,
reason.
that one doesn't
No,
work.
okay.
Okay.
For some reason.
Wait, it's connected. Yeah, it is.
For some
Attacks on
reason.
almost every
Tell us
attacks.
what you do, okay? Because you're not even in frame.
There are attacks on every single territory currently occupied. It might not seem like that on the map, but
Good.
So the leaderboard will most definitely change in the next couple of minutes.
yes,
For sure,
yeah.
and it will take a huge
We're
toll.
currently
every
live
single
streaming
occupied territory
the
has an
entire
attack,
thing right
and so
now.
do some extra ones.
So on this screen,
Yes.
So
No,
who's
it's-
watching that? Are there people like that are
Yeah.
watching that on
Hey, who
internet?
left?
yeah, there's like
Come on,
hundreds
guys.
of people.
Was this
It'll be
just
bet-
Twitch,
oh,
or
it's
is
better
this
now.
through-
Oh,
Wait,
the
just
error's
YouTube.
gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tell your
Still some
friends to
drop
tune
frames,
back
though. We got
in.
'em?
School districts
Andrew,
are potentially
we got-
watching other teams
So we have the
sponsor,
Shining
et cetera.
Star
Yep.
Coders
And then
coach
everybody
that will be
podcast?
joining us now.
How'd that start?
I'm not sure to give my
we were
mic to.
making jokes in our technology class, and then we just recorded an episode and posted it on Google Classroom.
Okay.
And who is asking
And
the
then-
questions?
Platforms are you on?
Yeah.
Mostly everything, but some of them aren't up to date. Like
Okay.
our most up to date are Spotify and YouTube.
So you're enjoying it?
I have this one right here.
Away from the internet.
I don't think so. Try using this mic.
Not sure.
Testing.
Well, anyway, it should work between these two.
Okay.
All right. So, do you want to state your town name and team?
Sure. So we are the Shining Star Coders from Shore Road School in Belmore.
Thank you. So, how's your team doing so far?
So far, so good. We came really prepared. Our captain had everyone organized into 3 different teams to attack the gates together. We had done a little research ahead of time on the Russian-Finland battle that was mentioned in the story notes of the map.
Great.
And I think that helped them have a lot of confidence going in. And also practicing all of the quizzes on hatch level 1 and 2. They were ready for those gates.
That's great. Love the research you did. That's very important to these competitions. So you were doing that before the competition. How did your CDP go?
It went well. They worked together to create about 20 sprites. And then our team captain went home, imported them all into Hatch, and then came back to school the next day and continued to code. And instead of originally, we were going to try and make a game that was playable. But with the time constraints that we had, we ended up just going with an animated scene where our team was facing a Yeti, and the Yeti was shooting icicles at our team. They retreated to their fort to grab a super snowball, defeated the Yeti, and then went back to the fort to party.
Wow, right. I like it. We're gonna take a look at all the CDPs later in the competition. We got a list of them, so can't wait for yours. Is this your team? How many people are new to the competition?
This is our first year competing at the upper elementary level. So this is our fifth graders' first time. Our school is only grades 5 and 6. So our team is completely comprised of fifth graders.
Gotcha. All right. And how did your banner and logo go?
Excellent. Again, our team captain really came through with our logo and did a lot of work editing on Sprite Editor. And then the banner, we went more simplistic this year. I think when our sixth graders compete in June, we've kind of taken a lot of inspiration from some of the animated banners that we saw from the other teams here. And they're going to use that to guide them and make our sixth grade banner.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us. This has been great. Thank you for all that info. And we'll see how the rest of the competition goes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
That one's working? Yeah, this one's working better. Testing.
Yeah.
So this is, hold on, I got this. This is the main mic that works. This one works, I think. Yeah.
If it's green, it works.
If it's green, it works. If it's blue, it's not. Yeah, first year really using these new microphones we got.
I connect these to my computer because they're not.
All right. So that is gotcha. Figuring how that one's working.
If there's a Discord call going on top of this, like the stream might just
The stream might disappear. Yeah, I don't know if the stream would work too well like that. But all right. Well, I think everything's working. Very choppy. The broadcast. Yeah, that's just gonna be the school's Wi-Fi. We'll see if we can get on a different one.
I think I'm not sure if that's gonna work.
Mm-hmm.
I think let's see.
I thought we had another one.
I think it broke. Or like she's not.
Oh yeah, I was thinking that good time.
All right.
Looks like two teams are tied
Well,
for first.
mine is
Manhasset
not loaded. Can I see
and
this?
what's EU? Oh, what's EW?
North. It looks as though North Side is taking a good
yeah,
lead at 8 points.
I forgot. Oh.
Yeah. Two teams are tied for first with 7 points.
Yeah.
And two teams are tied for second with 6.
No, this is very.
Is that it?
I think it's refreshed.
Yeah, this is so behind.
Mm-hmm.
Just look at my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the map's looking very colorful right now. It's we got North Side in first, tied
Should
with
never
Muncie
refresh my
Park,
page.
and then Bayville and Shelter
Wait,
Rock
mine's
are
done
in
loading.
second with 6 points. Lloyd Harbor Lions, Islip Hackers,
Oh my god.
Cobb Pug Coding Eaglets, and Willits Road, and
And
West
West-
Side are all tied for third with 5 points. And there's just a lot of more schools.
Yeah.
There's Shining Stars, Amityville, Campaign, Falcon Hackers, Cyber Mustangs, Codebusters, Shark Bites, Charging Rams, Hacker Sharks, and Crystal Coders. I think we got our next.
Ooh, I think the North Side Super Swords lost some territory. Now they're in a two-way tie.
Mm-hmm. You wanna?
Is it like the camera?
No, that's a separate thing. It's just the Wi-Fi connecting to YouTube. Yeah, we're live thing from X2. It's not so.
North Side Super Sprites have lost the territory, leaving them in a two-way tie between Muncie Park Tigers
There's
and
some
themselves. for
Wi-Fi
first
problems
place.
going on right now. Trying to get that fixed as soon as possible.
Usernation. Holy cow, Sam, we have 20,000. This just in, we've
All
dropped
right, so
37,000
let's see.
frames.
Yeah, it's running very slow.
This is the live stream to YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Is there any other networks we could get on that aren't gonna be as laggy?
Then you could get like a voucher.
Good. We're having some network problems though, trying to get that figured out.
All right. So let's take a look at the map. We got currently, that one's the most updated. 2 people in first. Northside Super Sprites and the Muncie Park Tigers are tied for first with 7 points. The map's starting to kind of get very colorful up in there with all different territories taken over, different teams taking over different territories. It's looking pretty good right now. A lot of attacks going on all over the map. Let's see, Steven, if you want to bring up the live chat, let's see what people are saying. All right, just a lot of cheering. Go Mineola. What? Wow, hold on, Miss Thompson. What are you doing in the chat saying go Mineola? Okay, we're not biased. It's just she's a hot pog teacher. It's a little strange here. Just gotta admit. But go Mineola. No, I got no problem with that. That side of the statement's fine. Just who said it is
We're
kind of
good friends
strange.
with them.
I think we should let people root for who they want. You're right. It's just interesting. All right, Steven, if you want to bring back up the map, we got Ghosts. Is that what? Oh, I forgot. Steve.
I don't know.
Cyber.
This is really.
I think it's Cyber, bro. Whoever they said.
I'm
Well,
just gonna, like,
thanks
refresh
for the
real quick.
cheering. 3 people tied for first now, all 7 points.
Oh.
Now it's Muncie Park, Lloyd Harbor, and Northside. All right, doing pretty well there. I think I got an idea to fix the Wi-Fi. Steven, if you want to just grab that. Yeah, just grab it. All right. Sam, if you want to hold the mic.
We're gonna
hold the
fix
mic
our
to me.
camera real quick.
Mine is.
Might
All right,
look
so
better.
I think I can. Oh, my fingers are in the way. All right, you're gonna see the camera go out for a second, but I will get it back up soon. And then this should help the stream not lag as much. And once we got that figured out, we are all smooth sailing. We got the Mineola people also trying to figure it out.
You're a lifesaver, Andrew.
Thanks, Sam. I'm saving my own stream. All right.
You're delayed.
Yeah. Let's see, any updates on the map? Nope, just still 3 people tied for first there.
Lloyd Harbor Lions defended 2 projects.
Okay, that's pretty good. Lloyd Harbor defending there. That means they're making some pretty strong projects, right? Not quick ones. All right, and in second place we got Shelter Rock, and then in third place we got Hot Pog, and then a bunch of people tied. Oh no, Hot Pog and a bunch of other people. Steven's inspecting the element, trying to figure it out.
You know you're broadcasting on TV, right?
Yeah, I know. All right, so well, I think for now we might have to live with this very choppy live stream.
Might fix itself.
It might fix itself, not probably, not likely though. Let's see if I can make the bottom camera less choppy.
Normal lunch periods for the students here are starting soon, so that might get a bunch of people off the network.
Let's see if this, put that back even.
Going on in Donkey Kong. Oh wait, mine is. All right, my Chromebook is.
Let's see. There we go.
And nobody has.
All right, the camera. Oh, it might be less. Nope, just as glitchy, I think.
All right, now everyone has above 1 point, which is absolutely great. We love to see everyone competing.
All right,
Three teams
well,
tied
it
for
looks
first.
maybe. Nope, I thought it might be slightly less, but we tried. Steven, if you want to check with one of our own people on our, from Hot Pog or something, see how it's going. Go all young coders. Yeah, go Hot Pog, go all young coders. Yeah. So many are flooding the Wi-Fi. It's hard to get a connection. Yeah. And then let's see. Steven, if you just want to check with Miss Thompson, see how it looks on her side, like text her. 3 people are currently tied for first. The Northside Super Sprites, Muncie Park Tigers, and the Lloyd Harbor Lions, all at 7. And then Shelter Rock Shelter Rock Storm has 6 right behind you. All right, great to see. Yes, I got. There's a lot of teams with 4 points and a lot of teams with 5 points.
All right.
Well, I'm not sure. Who's he getting?
I don't know.
Okay.
I have no idea.
I think Hot Dog was the next one.
Maybe.
No, he just tried to get them, but they couldn't. I think he's getting Hot Dog.
Well, this is an interesting time we're in currently. We don't know who Andrew's going to get.
Oh, he got someone.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
Ice Slip.
Yeah, okay. Alrighty. You guys, watch out. Right over.
Right here?
Oh.
Thanks.
All right. Well, thank you for joining us. Do you want to say what your team is? What your team
I'm
name?
part of Islip Hackaneers. Not the Islip Hack. Islip Hack Crest.
Oh, okay.
There's 2 teams.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you. How did the CDP go?
It actually was surprisingly fun. We had all 8 members submit a project, and we picked the best one. We had a group vote, and Ralph Alvarez, one of our students, he submitted it, and I thought it actually turned out very well. A lot better than we did last year. Capital Defense Project.
Great, great.
Yes.
And how's the team doing so far today?
We're doing well. We're at the top, towards the top. You know,
40, yeah.
somebody just took over our territory, so we dropped a little bit, but we were in 4th place for a while. So
Great.
Mhm.
All right. So how do you got any artists on your team for the banner and like the logo?
yes, Colin Moon made our banner, which is up there, and he also made our logo. He's the only 4th grader on our team, so our team is all 5th graders besides Colin. I think Colin is excelling in KidOYO, and he will be a valuable asset next year as well.
Great. So did those 5th graders participate last year?
This is the first year that Comac Road, the school that we're in, is having a team.
Gotcha.
So this is our first year competing.
All right. Awesome. Well, I hope you guys well in your first year, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thanks. All right. That bottom camera's really having some issues there. Well, Mineola worked really hard on this internet infrastructure, and even though we're having our difficulties here and there, I mean, you got to think, like we said, 20 teams times 8. That's how many. Okay, 160. I'll just say I wanted it for like effect, you know, like the 20 teams, 8 kids on each, 160 in total. Chromebooks online. Okay, not counting the coaches who are online, not counting all these computers we got back there, over there, you can't see. Computers online, one over there. And then us live streaming to YouTube, which is very strenuous. And then also not counting the rest of the school that is all online. So they had to put a lot of work. It's surprising it's running at all. Right now, actually, we have complete green bars. We're doing really well with the Wi-Fi right now. There should be no problem. Actually, the first time ever the bottom camera is actually functioning. They must have done something to that Wi-Fi. We're crystal clear connecting to YouTube. The bottom camera is crystal clear. We haven't had this ever. It's a little choppy, the bottom camera, but it's clear. So, all right, let's look at the leaderboard here. We got 3 people tied for first. Same people we've been saying all game. They really look to be the leaders.
Oh, 9 points for Muncie Park Tigers.
Oh, okay. Muncie Park just took the lead with 9 points. And then 3 tied for third. 3 tied for second. All right. Well, it's a very exciting game. I think we're probably an hour in now. I'm not sure. We've been streaming for an hour and 20 minutes. The competition actually started though, I think maybe an hour ago, a little less. So yeah, we're approaching an hour. If we're
I
there.
think it started at 10.
10? All right,
that'd
so
be
we're 44
minutes.
All right, 45
Around.
minutes. Approaching an hour. Let's see. Oh, the map's a little strange right now. Let's see if we can adjust that.
I know.
Let's. Not sure. All right. Let's. All right. Just had to adjust the map there. Muncie Park still in the lead. Who else do we got? I think we had Hopog next. Steven, if you want to check the chat to see if anyone else is suggesting people.
Well, since on one territory. Where? Oh my god. Very popular.
All right. Thompson's asking how John's doing.
The bottom of the map currently is very populated with attacks. I mean, we have a 6 on one territory, a 5 on one territory.
Yeah, really. They're really going for those bottom ones. I assume that's because most people have access to those and not the top, just because there's so many quizzes down that end. Well, so many, meaning 2, only 1 at the top. Steven, did you check? Did anyone suggest anyone to interview? If not, we'll do Hopog because that's the next person on the list. No. Okay. So let's go get the Hopog people up in here.
Guys, our coaches are having a lot of that. Good. Friendliness.
All right, so I'm seeing a lot of defending going on the map right now. So that probably means that
The whole camera view is now just Mineola, which is just
Hey.
amazing.
Hi.
You know, it's just better now.
you know these are the
So what
guys
is
that
going
said they
on?
were
Why
gonna
are
throw
you-
spaghetti at my
Huh?
computer.
I'm trying to get it into
Why are you on
that.
YouTube?
Trying to see the podcast. I'm gonna see the comments. You know.
Okay, what does the map look like? Is this updated? Is this live? That's not live? That one's live? Okay.
I think it is live.
And we got Sam's phone. Where's her costume?
Why don't you put it on?
Dumb King had time to put on his. Or
He's a
was
little bit lazy.
sleeping.
He did not. He put it on last night.
Yeah.
That costume.
He was asleep in the closet right behind the school.
I don't see him right now, but I would bet you that he still has it on and is walking around
Right,
somewhere.
He took it off.
Oh, he did take it off. That is
He woke.
sad.
Should put it back on.
He should put it back
Alright,
on.
let's see how the map's how's the map doing. Muncie Park is in first. North Side is in second, and a lot of teams tied with 6, 5, and 4.
Oh, we
We
have.
got territory. I think is that who is that? Shark Bites gets their territory.
Oh, we have Andrew here, and they're his coach
We're getting
now
another
coming
interview.
in. Here's
As Shark Bites gets an into
Thank you. If you wanna
territory,
come
Hopog
around.
also got a
Yeah,
territory,
if you wanna-
and Lloyd Harbor. So now there's a lot of attacks going on.
All right.
Oh, it's
Well,
second.
and that mic.
Well,
Yes.
what do I do
There you
with
go.
this?
Just hold that.
Just hold
Or
it,
if you
okay.
want to put on a shirt, up to you.
Okay.
All right. So you are one of the coaches from Hopog, correct?
Yes, I am.
All right. And how's the team doing so far?
I'm really happy with it. They got in real fast. They got access to the map, and they're doing their stuff. They're doing well. I'm really happy right now.
Great. So how did the pre-competition stuff go? The CDP, all that.
It went really well. We have some really great artists this year. We have 2 artists they're really doing a phenomenal job, and everybody's working together nicely. So we're real happy.
Great. And the banner logo, all that's good.
Yes, our logo you can see on our shirt.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is our logo. Was created by Julia Pastrito. She's a 5th grade student at Forest Brook. She's doing great. And we also have a 3rd grader playing up for us this year. One of your team
Yeah.
members' little brothers.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have a 3rd grader in who this is his first competition. We have a couple of kids that this is their first year doing this, and we have a couple returning from last year.
Great. And have you had a chance to look at the map, or were you really seeing a lot of hacks and sprite editor?
I did. I see a nice amount of sprite editor, which we're happy about this year because we have some artists. But it is a nice mix. There's some more challenging things that we'll see how they do. But I'm liking the map. I like the topic this year. The winter theme is really great.
Yeah. And how's your team doing with the quizzes?
They finished all the quizzes. They have access to to the first section of territory. So we're happy they were able to quickly finish them. I don't think it was as much as last year. I know last year the quizzes were a little bit harder for them to get started. So I think that built a little confidence that they were able to get in and get started right away.
Great. Well, thank you for joining us, and I hope the rest of the competition goes well for you.
Thanks so much, guys.
All right. So that was the hot pot coach. We also have, we got a lot of hot pot people here. We got our superintendent here with our director of technology at Hot Pot, a lot of coaches. All right. Well, currently, I don't think we've talked about this. Thank you to all the 90 concurrent viewers we have right now. Thanks for joining in, even through our choppy moments with the stream. All right. Currently, 2 teams tied for first: Muncie Park Tigers and Lloyd Harbor Lions. Is this the most updated? Yeah, that's
ours is both delayed.
Yeah, I think even our, I think even the stream leaderboard's a little delayed. I
I'm
wonder
just
if, I wonder if I
Are 2 teams tied for first now?
now it does. Now it's good. I think it's just because I just refreshed it. Actually now, I think there's an, did they, oh yeah, it's really moving.
Can I see the updated one, Steven?
I think this is the most updated.
Yeah.
Okay. We have. Okay, you understand.
Yeah, I think we're all up to date here. We got to cross-reference it. We
Yeah.
currently have, what is that, 5 devices, not even including the stream. So 6 devices all looking at the map. Got to make sure they're all correct. Yeah. Yeah, the bottom camera is doing well. It's a little choppy, but I mean, a lot better than it was earlier. So we're glad for that. I remember last year we had issues too. The bigger the competitions, right? The UE, Sam's gonna get mad at me. 20 teams. The junior, we didn't have as much issues because that's only 13, I believe, this year. So what? I thought it was 13 this year. Yeah, 13 for the junior, 20 for this. I think this is the biggest division. I think the middle school is smaller and the high school, I believe, might be smaller. I can't remember. High school is big though, and the UE is normally big. So like I said, we're going to be streaming at the high school one in a little, I think a little over a month. And maybe we can try to get into the MS. That would be really exciting. So how's your first hackathon stream going so far?
It's going good. A little troubleshooting a lot.
Yeah.
But it's going well.
Yeah.
Passing the devices around, trying to get the most
Mhm.
updated one.
Exactly. So I'm gonna go check to see when we can start the CDPs. I think it's at the end of the game though, so we're gonna have to wait a little while for that. We can go scroll through some of the banners if we want. Maybe we'll do that in a second. Yeah. Let's go through the banners. Let's see what we think.
Alright.
I love the banners.
It might
And
be.
if the map changes, I have it up.
Yes, exactly. So
That
let me
takes for a while.
see how I want to pull this up. It might be a little difficult. All right, so just pulling up the banners here, list of banners. All right, I think we got it all up now. And then if I show you all this.
It is streaming.
All right, and now I'm gonna show you guys the map, or the banner, sorry. Little troubleshooting here. And now it should work, right? Yeah. You guys see all the banners right there. Perfect. All right, so let's go scroll through these. First up, we got Belmore Shining Star Coders. We interviewed their coach a little while ago. I like.
Right here if you want to interview.
Oh, great. Yeah.
Superintendent.
Yeah. All right. Great. Yeah, we'll get to.
First to be on camera.
You get the big cheese.
All right.
Mine's the baby cheese.
All right. Well, we'll interview both of you too. I mean, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right.
Got a budding premiere here.
Yes.
Trying to help them out.
All right. Great. All right. We're gonna do an interview just in a second with our superintendent. But yeah, so that's Belmore Shining Star Coders up there. I like their design. Very simplistic. I love it. I like the gradient in the background. That's really nice. Next up, we got the West Side Whalers. I like theirs. Very themed to the ocean, right? Because they're the whalers. Let's see what else we got here. I believe, I don't know what team that. Oh, that's
This
the
has to be my
Lloyd Harbor
favorite one.
Lions. All right, I like it. The lions in the frames there, and then it says "Hear Us Roar." I like it. Next up, ESM Hacker Sharks. Nice. We haven't interviewed them yet. Maybe we'll get them later on. Then next is the Crazy Coders. I like theirs. They got some animation to it. I like the Google search too. Next up, Mineola Cyber Mustangs here with their banner. I like it. Animated, that's always good. The Crystal Coders up next with Beth Page. I like their background art, right? Then next up is the Shark Bites from ESM. They got a little shark fin swimming around. The next up is the Falcon Hackers from Locust Valley. I like theirs. The guy in the hoodie. The Falcon in the hoodie, I should say. Next up, Hopog Code and Eaglets with their elementary schools along the sides. I like that with the binary in the background. Shelter Rock Storm.
That one. The buff robot.
Oh, yeah, I like the Buff Oyo bot with the animation. All very good. Other Manhasset up next. They got animation too. Bayville Program Shakers. I like their green shakes and their laptops. Pretty cool. Northside Super Sprites with East Williston. Like it. I like how they have all their players up there. Hack to the Future's up there too. With all their, I like that name. Back to the Future. Islip Hackers. Pretty cool. We interviewed them too. Amityville Gigabytes. I like theirs. I like the little explosion in the background. I think we're up to the final ones here. The Code Busters. I like it.
That eagle looks a little similar.
Hackerneers. Nice. And finally, the Charging Rams. Pretty cool. I like your glowing text there. All right. So that was.
These are
all
really
the banners.
impressive for upper elementary.
Oh yeah, like Melora said on Twitter, she really loved all of them, all the hard work put in. I think we're gonna go get that interview I was talking about now.
We're gonna have 2 people up here.
Okay.
So maybe really try to clear some room over there. Guys, move your chairs down.
This is absolutely crazy. The map has not moved a single bit. There has been like 15 defends in the past couple minutes, and Muncie Park and Northside are still tied for first with 8 points. Lloyd Harbor Lions with 7 points in second, and everyone's just defending at this point.
Yeah,
I
I
don't-
don't see any attacks on the map at all. Or any like going attacks that worked.
Yeah, so I don't know what I'd call it. But yeah, this is interesting to see that everything's being defended, and there's still a good amount of vacant territories. We got one attack down there. I don't know if they can see that on stream. Yeah, you can't see that. And so, yeah, I think it's pretty crazy to see. I wonder what the challenges are like this year.
Yeah, mainly hash and sprite editor. We're in winter themes. Make a snowball game, I'm guessing.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah, no shit.
You know what would be cool to see?
What?
If you could conquer the massive lake in the middle.
Oh my god.
That'd be kind of funny.
That'd be really hard to do. How would you do that? Should we like
Just conquer the lake. Just conquer. I don't know.
would you have access to
That'd be quite funny if you just.
Really?
If you just.
Andrew just got us snacks. Thank you, Andrew.
I love
I'm
you,
assuming.
Andrew.
Yes.
I take back what I said. Lloyd Harbor Lions took a territory from Islip Hackers, and now everyone's defending again, which is honestly kind of crazy.
Around here, yeah.
You know. And we got our next interviewee, Superintendent of Hop Hog Schools.
How many viewers we got right now?
Currently, 119.
Nice. You guys having a good day?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, so you guys can share that mic if you want. Yep, there you go. All right, so do you want to state the school you come from?
Sure. Hop Hog School District. I'm Don Murphy, Superintendent.
Tim McCarthy, Assistant Superintendent for Curriculum.
All right, so how's your competition going here? How's your team?
So, I mean, we walked in and we felt the energy in the room right away. Our team is right by the entrance, Hop Hog, Coton Eagles, and they look like they're having a good start to the day. We know it's a marathon though, so I don't think we gave them too much pressure. We just walked in, said hello, and then, didn't distract them, I don't think.
Yeah, this is their second go, I believe. I think maybe you just said that. And it's kind of nice to see this versus the middle division that we saw recently at Hop Hog, because seems like the teams are pretty close right now. So it's nice to kind of see everyone bunched together so that we know there can be a lot of movement throughout the day. And as Dr. Murphy said, this is a marathon, right? It's not a sprint. So at some point you'll see some movement and more of the strategy coming in towards the end of the play. But it's nice to see that a lot of the teams are bunched up, and quite frankly, it's awesome just to be here and see how much it's grown. We have 20 teams here today, and it's just great to see a lot of the districts across the island come together for this event.
Yeah, and I'll just say what makes this so great is as we're talking right now, it's like my eyes are glued to the scoreboard because the competition, there's always action. The teams are always kind of flip-flopping throughout the day. And I just have to say, just to give one shout out, we have a young student in our group who's a third grader that I just learned about. So very impressive.
Yeah. So when did we start using KidOYO in the hackathons? When did that all start?
Oh, wow. So, gosh.
2017, I believe, is
Yeah.
2017 is when we started using KidOYO.
Yeah, we were one of the first districts to bring KidOYO in as a partner. I think we recognized early on the value of having a trusted partner with, teaching our kids how to code and understanding, the benefits of that logic and reasoning. And then I think the competition started soon thereafter. Am I right? Maybe a couple years after
Yeah,
that?
and I know I don't recall how it used to be middle division. It's changed. You probably have a better idea of how that expanded over the years, but I know they've changed some of the structure, which has been great to allow for different levels to compete and get together. And
It's certainly grown over the years. Like I remember when we first started, I mean, this gymnasium is filled right now to basically to capacity. So it's very cool to see. And of course, the list of districts involved now, we'd have to scroll down, I think, to even see them all, which is
Yeah.
great to see.
Yeah, there's 20 schools in this competition, really big.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
I think 60 teams overall throughout all the divisions. So it's been
Incredible.
great.
Love it.
From like a superintendent's perspective and like an admin's perspective, what's your favorite part about this competition?
My favorite part of this competition. So I love how you can look around this room and it's almost like a sporting event. So I love the sense of like team and the teamwork you see amongst the different schools. Of course, Hop Hog, I know best, but I see it as I walk around the room. So there's that element, and then of course the healthy competition, all while the kids are learning necessary skills, right? Coding. So I've always been enamored by, this particular competition. So to see it growing like this is just tremendous. Dr. M?
I would say, just to kind of add on to that and tie it together, it's community, right? So it's thinking about our team here is comprised of our 3 elementary schools. So we had a way in which we were able to get kids to boil down onto our team. So it was nice to have our 3 elementary schools working together, because ultimately we're all Eagles, right? And they'll go through the pipeline together, just like yourself in the middle school and high school. So I like that sense of community bit. In addition to the community that we have here, just of Long Island, and being able to work together and grow this in the competition and the thinking behind it, the strategy. It's awesome. It's a really great event.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I also gotta say, I love the nod. I love the nod to some old time nostalgia. Like this is like a form of Risk, which I used to play back in the day as a kid.
Yeah.
So I love the connection back to my childhood as well.
Yeah. Well, thank you for stopping by. This has been great. Thanks for all your insights, and let's hope the competition goes well.
Thanks, Andrew. Great to see you, buddy. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Right. Well, there we go.
There's plenty of time left, plenty of time on the map. Keep pushing.
All right, we had some announcements there, just announcing the places of the teams. Muncie Park still in first. And then 3 people tied for second. We got our popcorn that we were talking about earlier. The
Oh man, I
popcorn
love
here.
popcorn.
Here, you want that one?
Yes, it is.
See what else I got over here. Some potato chips. All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. There you go. All right. Yeah. So that was Superintendent Dr. Dr. Murphy, and Tim McCarthy,
While
Assistant Superintendent.
while these guys were interviewing, we took a little walk around, the entire area, just kind of scoped it out. It was pretty cool. I mean, we see some really good, sprite editors, some really good hatch projects. I saw like a kid like editing like the OYO bot with like editing the vertices and all of that. It was really cool to see like how much work they're putting into this.
Yeah.
I saw some intensive code by one of the kids, and then another thing that we realized was some teams, they're not even able to see like a defending project, or they can't even get into sprite editor or hatch because of how bad the Wi-Fi is in some
Yeah.
spots. So that's, I don't know, it's just a bummer.
Just infrastructure stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, think about this, right? All these kids, we even have a 3rd grader here today. All these kids are not just learning all this code and getting really, really good at coding and setting up a career path there, but they're learning all these teamwork skills and leadership skills, as captains, and all this stuff, and perseverance and problem solving and all that, and dealing with, stress at the end in the last 10 minutes, all this stuff so early on in life, from 3rd to 5th grade today, and then just every year getting better and better. It's so great to
Yeah.
see going on all over. And KidOYO makes this happen along with all the schools, so I love it. Let's see, did we get any other stuff in chat? Let's take
Maybe
a
we'll
look.
get something.
Oh, what?
Oh.
I definitely had popcorn in my
Another
teeth for that
picture.
photo.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. If you subscribe, you'll see that number in the bottom right go up.
We love big numbers.
Let's see. Campaign coders. All right. Big ups, Dr. Murphy. All right. What time is it? It's 11:07.
We are more than an hour into the competition.
Oh yeah.
3 hours. 3 teams tied for second, and then we have a long list of like people tying for 6. People tying for like 6 points, 5 points.
Mm-hmm. And once we get probably, I think, 2 hours in, a little over, or after that, we'll start to see the countdown to the end of the event. But right now, at this point, they do not have it up.
Yeah.
I wonder why. I mean, I know when it's gonna end. I wonder if that's just because, like, not to. I don't know.
They generally bring it up around like an hour.
Yeah.
I think it might be to add a little bit more pressure to the end of the competition.
Possibly, yeah. All right, so let's go see if we can get those campaign coders.
Simon's enjoying his popcorn right now. How does it taste?
We still have a good
Pretty
amount.
buttery. No, it's a bit dry, but overall pretty good. Thank you, Stephen.
We still have a couple territories that haven't even been touched yet. No attacks even pending on them. Oh, what Joe just said. They're the interior ones, so they're worth more points and are much harder. So, as we go further into the event, that we are going to see attacks there, and it's going to be pretty cool, actually. Seeing some of these projects. I don't know if we're allowed to or not. I'm still kind of new to this. Like, go over the projects that won. Yeah.
I don't think we can see those.
Never mind. Thank you for the new subscriber.
Yeah. The only interior territory currently occupied is that like blue one by the quiz. It's hard to explain because I can't point to it, but every other unoccupied territory is an inward one. That is worth
Except for
2.
the ones at the top. I think those
This one is. This one is not, I
Yeah.
think. Okay. And this one is.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of good coding. I was walking around. There's a lot of good coding happening. It's early, like a younger division, but they're really good at it. It's promising.
Yeah.
Is your refrigerator running?
Yup, it's running, Steven.
You better shut.
Whoa.
As you can see,
If
that
you
we
think Steven should be a stand-up comedian, subscribe.
oh we did get another subscriber. I don't know if that was because of it, but yeah. I mean, looking around, we see a lot of like people staring right into their computer. You know, like they're concentrated. Sure, we have a couple other people that are
Looking at us.
looking at us. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
This popcorn is very good. Thank you. As Grant steals my popcorn that we stole from the coach's office or lounge, whatever. I wonder how Andrew's luck is going with getting a coach. I see that he found.
He's talking to his coach again.
Yeah, he found his way to another type of coach, his coach. Oh, yeah.
Who has the live map?
I think mine might be live.
No,
9777.
Yours isn't. Yours isn't.
Mine's 1106.
Oh wait. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, yours is. Yours.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Joe's is the most updated with an 1107 attack.
Yeah.
They were like down here.
Who's in first?
Shit, like every single team is like tied for something except first place with Muncie Park.
With Lloyd Harbor Lions, Northside Super Sprites, Shelter Rock Storm, and with 7 points.
Another subscriber, I think.
Yeah.
168.
If we can get to 1200 by the end of the stream, I'll do a jumping jack live.
What? No way.
Yeah.
Will you throw spaghetti up?
I actually have spaghetti for lunch today.
We have a running joke that we were gonna throw spaghetti at Hop Hog's computers.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Are the allegations true?
No.
Not currently.
Don't look at your computer.
I have a piece of paper that says otherwise.
I didn't write that. Very competitive here. A lot of defenses.
A lot.
Just got another one. At the end of the competition, the results are posted for how many attacks and how many defenses. It's normally like a lot more defenses. We have an attack on a inward territory towards the bottom. Currently vacant.
Yeah. Right now we're kind of in like the middle of the competition. The beginning of it is like really good. There's a lot of attacks, decent projects, not too good because they're just trying to get the territory. And then we have the middle, which is a little slow, and then
the end is a lot faster.
Yeah, the end is a lot faster. Where everyone's spinning their best projects yet, and you see some like really intensive grading. And then when the competition ends, everyone's quiet, and then you see like teams cheering. Yeah, we have the team sulking, but
we're probably gonna try to show the results. Like, we're not gonna talk for it. We're gonna try to show you guys the live results being announced from the Dom King and Mentor Melora and Dev. But yeah.
I think we lost Andrew.
Yeah, where'd he go?
I think.
Oh no, he's talking to someone now. Okay.
But yeah, I mean, everyone.
Can we get 120 concurrent viewers?
119 now.
Guys, share with your family and your friends, because this competition is gonna get crazy in a couple minutes. Maybe.
Oh, this is the most recent.
Yeah, 111. 1111. Sorry. Muncie Park in first, as has it's been, but we do see some attacks on their top territory.
Yeah, 120. Let's go, guys.
Oh yeah, 120 viewers. Thank you.
Every single team is only like off by a couple of points, so this is really, really like subject to change.
It's really anyone's game at this point.
Like we're only like not even halfway in. This can change a lot.
I don't know if I'm too loud or not. I don't know how far away to hold the mic.
Just-
Hello. Okay.
You see like this line here on the bottom?
Hello.
Just make sure it doesn't get to like red.
Yours got to orange when you said that. Like mine's okay. Now I'm talking. Not now. Okay. I have the perfect length now. Andrew is back onto the bleachers. We are unable to get a coach currently.
He's probably looking around. He'll be back soon, guys.
Yeah, he's
In the
looking
meantime,
at.
you have me.
Okay, Graham.
I just saw them laughing, so I think they made a joke about TSARP.
Do we have any comments? Maybe we can read some comments. I don't know. Go Shark.
Amy Thompson is on.
Wait, why is she unsubbing? Wait, what is she? What do we do?
Miss Thompson says she's unsubbing.
Wait, why is she unsubbing?
Miss Thompson, I don't appreciate this. You know, we appreciate you, so it's kind of sad to see you go.
I hope this counts as a shout out, and you will now resub. You know,
We
hopefully.
haven't dropped a sub yet.
We haven't dropped yet.
We're watching it though.
Oh, Andrew's back.
With no one. Pretty disappointing.
How's it going, Andrew?
You get a coach?
I move it down. Yeah. Move it.
I can't move it. Here, I'll go back to second seat.
Subbing why?
Here you go, Grant.
Thank you.
Apparently, Miss Thompson's unsubbing, and I'm very confused. Well, this competition is going off. We got some kids waving to us over there. This competition's going really well. All these coders are working really hard, doing really well out there. The points are changing so often. It's a very well-matched game. Every coder here is working really hard. And I'm glad to see it. Muncie Park, Manhasset doing fantastic up there with 8 points. Shelter Rock right behind them from Manhasset. I'll be very interested to see how this competition ends because those two schools normally finish really high, but also really high together.
I know from experience, like Shelter Rock, they normally do like a bit better. So it's exciting to see Muncie Park in the lead.
I do know what you mean. I remember last year in the MS, we live streamed that one, and they did so well, Shelter Rock. Like, really, really well. Muncie Park too, but Shelter Rock just beat them out. So I'll be interested to see how well they do this year. But yeah, all these coders out there working really hard. Even from first place to last place, you can see all throughout the room the excitement and the energy. And it's just amazing. Let's see, who else is, where's Hot Pug? Hot Pug's right in the
Miss
middle
Thompson
there.
said Mineola is so good.
Mineola, what, you're right, Mineola is so good for putting on this event, doing it so well. And getting all the issues, like they are so well trained in this troubleshooting. We had a few issues and then they fixed them. Live stream's running well now. Apparently I heard from a little birdie that we're the reason everything's lagging, which I'm not surprised, but sorry. But they figured it out. Now it's working fine. Like I was walking around the room. Everyone's now connected. It's doing great. So glad to see that.
Unfortunate news, somebody unsubbed.
Who unsubbed?
Miss Thompson, if it was you.
I saw a sub go up though. It was at 166, and I saw one.
It was at 68.
Oh, when I came, it was at 166, and then it went up to 167. How dare you, Miss Thompson?
Whoever unsubbed, like,
you should text her, Steven. Tell her to stop being so mean. She's just salty she can't be here with us.
So good, says
Uh-huh. Well, I said she's right, but, you know.
7 attacks on 1 territory. Holy cow.
Is this the... Oh, no, we did one. I was going to say, is this the first time 2 schools do a live stream together? But then I realized we also did that last year. But this is the first time 2 coding teams do a live stream together. See, we're making history here. Yeah. For who?
This.
Like, oh, well, it's the red ones we got for the junior.
Doesn't change every.
Yeah, I forgot. Sam, you gotta come in here and share this mic. Next live stream, we'll get this all figured out. I don't know what. Yeah, I'm just confused with our setup that we have here. Is this one even plugged in? That one's plugged in.
Am I?
Is that to like a headphone jack? Gotcha. And we just need the USB-C wire. Gotcha. All right.
We're gonna
Next
do a quick
time.
shout out. If every 110 concurrent viewers could go subscribe to the channel OYO Bot,
OYO bot.
That's a real channel.
Okay.
Yeah,
Owned by
definitely.
any of you?
No. Hold on.
All right. Well, sub to the KidOYO channel. I don't know. We'll at the end of the stream. You can do a little self promo.
I think in like the 5th grade hackathon or whatever, like they were trying to get that to 100.
Gotcha.
Hold on. Let me.
How was your scoreboard, Daniel?
That's good. Thank you for asking.
It's been sitting on the table for almost 30 minutes.
I bet many people breathed on my Starburst before I ate it.
I don't think that's the healthiest decision.
Oh, Miss
No, not at
Thompson
all.
said never mind Mineola.
Oh, shelter rock now is non for us.
I
Okay,
thought
yeah,
they
this
had
is
that.
Hey,
No, I think that's the same.
Oh, 3 concurrent viewers dropped to go subscribe to OYOBot. Oh, we got a subscriber. Wait.
I got a great opportunity.
Oh, just heads up, Shelter
Oh.
Rock has taken the lead. 9 points. Good job, them.
Zaylin, I think your comment might have got hidden. Not too sure who did that. But someone might have. Oh wait, we got 8 now. We're at
Yeah.
168. Look at
Miss
that.
Thompson.
Whoever did that. Let's see. What's the scoreboard doing now?
Shelter Rock is in the lead.
Still the same. This in the middle of the game, these coders are so focused on long-term projects, right? Getting everything perfect on those projects. You might see a little slowdown, and that's kind of what we're seeing now. But stick through it. Everyone's got it. Everyone's doing well here. And like I said, everyone's having fun. You can tell just walking around.
At this point in our hackathon,
I'm having fun.
There was like a 5-point difference between first and second. Now it's literally like 5-point difference between first and like 6th.
Oh yeah, like
So,
it's incredible.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I
5,
love
yeah.
games like this that are so close, so exciting. Everyone's just in the running right now. Everyone's in the running. Like last place could literally come
Yeah.
back and get first. Like, don't you worry.
You know what else is exciting?
What?
The junior hackathon.
Yes, it was exciting.
In the first 10 minutes when nothing happened.
Oh yeah, nothing happened in
That
the
was like
junior
22 minutes. It's just like.
Oh no, I counted. It was like it was like
Yeah.
20 minutes.
That's a long time.
Yeah, like this hackathon, like we said, started right away. Like incredible. People were through the quizzes. Not in our hackathon, just a little over a month ago. Not like that in that one. Yeah, by the way, people, I think I addressed this earlier, but people might be a little confused. Those kids that were on the stream then, we just like, they're not normally on TSARP. They did a very good job, but like, we're the regulars if you couldn't tell. Just meaning that like, we'll be on in the future. But they did a good job too. Let's see, what's it? Why is Miss Thompson crying? She's very confusing. Salem, why are you rooting for Grant? I'm slightly confused.
We're not allowed to have any bias to any teams. So.
All right, go Sam, go Sam.
Grant said he's gonna do a jumping jack if we get to
1,200 subscribers.
Okay. Do a jumping jack if we get to 1,000 views.
Okay.
Did you think we would have more or less viewers?
Honestly, I thought you'd have less. Honestly.
All right. Well,
like,
at
like,
least
like 90, or 90 concurrent viewers.
yeah. Yeah. Well, thank you all for tuning in. We're not done. Normally, when I say that, that means we're done. No.
Message from the judging room. The judges are saying they are continually getting projects that are not fully meeting the territory requirements, so please make sure you really read and see because there's details in there, and if you don't meet the details and it doesn't meet the product specs. The next is, make sure you take a look. If the project says you have to use Sprite Editor or Hatch, then you have to use that tool to submit your project. So you can't submit a Hatch project for a Sprite Editor territory or vice versa. Only if it says any tool, any language, can you choose. Okay, so everybody make sure you're reading, make sure you take a look because we're getting a lot of projects that say they need to be Sprite Editor, but we're getting them as Hatch projects. Okay?
Mr. Muller just giving like a redescription to make sure you follow the instructions.
Yeah. It was funny. I couldn't see Malore from where I was standing. I was like, where is she? I can hear her. I can't see her. Yeah.
Thank you
she
for the new
said-
subscriber.
Wow, my lord, why are you hanging from the? Oh, 170. You're
Yeah.
30 away subscribers
That's
from having
true.
to do a jumping jack.
Happy
Happy birthday, everyone. Oh my God, it went down, guys.
It's a good time to drink some water. Make sure you get yourself some fresh air.
It's
in
Bon
your
Jovi time.
And
Get it? 'Cause
coaches,
like we're
watch
halfway
over
there.
your,
Hey, who
short pizza
unsubscribed?
between
I don't know.
11:45 and
Let's see. The
12.
leaderboard is
There
not
are
changing,
plenty of
Bon
except
Jovi
for
do?
third.
coaches
It's
down the hall
Shelter
as
Rock
well.
first place. Muncie Park. Oh, okay. Shelter Rock first place. Muncie Park second. Northside and Hop Hog tied for third. Where's Mineola? Mineola's. I'm trying to count. It's hard to count. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well,
They're
I
tied
saw.
for
I
six.
walked over. They looked like they had some good projects.
Okay.
Oh, phone fell.
Oh, phone fell. The camera's back. Oh, we're back at 170. I bet
Oh,
it's Miss
yeah.
Thompson messing around. You know, she's always messing us up.
We got 121 concurrent viewers.
There you go. 171.
Oh,
we probably
yeah.
should stop counting. It's probably annoying to people, but
173.
171.
Steven, your microphone's so much cooler than my microphone. Show the camera.
He's got the RGB
This
gaming
is
mic.
Steven's microphone. Okay, and I'm holding this little thing. I should just pin this to my shirt. I don't know why. I don't know. There we go. Now you can hear me and I don't need to hold it.
You'd want Sam's mic.
What?
After what he did.
Oh, we're. Oh, yeah. We're gonna. Oh, 172. We're gonna need to. Yeah, at the end of the stream, we're gonna have to figure out whose mics are whose. But. All right. Okay. So let's see. The trophy's looking good over there. It's very shiny. Dev, founder of KidOYO, told me, send me a message the other day. I never responded. I'm sorry, Dev. But he said I should probably polish the trophy because we've had it for so long. And I'm like, you're right, but I never did. 173 subscribers. Well, 1,173.
Miss Thompson.
Well,
For the record,
173 would
it
be
was in
good,
my
but-
backpack.
Yeah. All right. We only have 20 likes, though. We need to get our likes up, guys.
I was one of those.
Guys, if you like the stream, all 125 of you, then your team will do better. I don't know what to tell you. That's just how it works.
I was the sixth person to like it. So
Wow.
174.
I know. I'm so.
174 subs. Thank you, everyone. We might not stop. I hate to tell you. Let's take a. I keep going to take a look at the map, but it's not really changing right now. Maybe we refresh it. Oh, let me go check when we can do those CDPs, and let's get another interview going here. Anyone have any suggestions? Not you, Sam.
I slept accurate.
We did.
Yeah. Don't have any requests.
We don't have anyone on the list. Doesn't mean we can't do people. We should probably do a Melora interview. Just, because Mentor Melora, very important. She makes all this happen. So,
Steven, you
go do
lost Miss Thompson's webcam. Oh. Hey guys, I'm back in Andrew's chair now. We got Joe over here.
Yeah,
Joe, you have anything to say?
not really. The standings have been pretty consistent over the past 20 minutes. Still a lot of pending attacks. Not a lot of our stuff is loading though, so.
I have something interesting.
Right.
Shelter Rock Storm has 11 points and they're in the lead.
Miss Mariano.
Northside and Hop Hog have 7 and second.
No, we're older. Alright, Melora's coming. Okay. That was our old live group, actually.
Mueller interview incoming.
Alright. Yep. Alright. So, and that is going to be your mic.
Yeah.
Alright. So, how's the competition going so far on your end?
I think it's going fantastic. 20 teams here, so that's like a record. We haven't
Yeah.
had an event this big. I mean, it strains the Wi-Fi, but I think the map's doing well. But one team has made it through all 3 gates, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I like it. What do you guys think of the theme?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a
bit
bit
chilly.
chilly.
Sam, are you gonna put on your costume for this? For Sam got a costume like you did last year.
You
Now-
did look underdressed, Sam, I want
Yeah.
to say.
I mean, I was gonna have you guess what he was because last
A
year,
Yeti.
I don't know if you remember, you said pizza and he was a chip for life on a chip.
Oh.
So
That's right.
I was gonna say,
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
going to say you're Frosty the Snowman.
yeah,
That's really kind of amazing.
you'll get all dressed up later and then we'll
Oh my
yeah.
gosh. That's
Um,
awesome.
All right. So, how did the preparation go before the competition?
So again, this was a map by Zen. So that part of it is nice. I don't really have to
Yeah.
think about it too much. He does all the history, the theming of it. It's always tough to come up with unique challenges. You know, we've run 6 years now. This year has 60 teams, and we try to have something unique for every division. Even just the way that the maps play and the way that the auto gates, you know, this is very different from the map that you played on.
Yeah.
So I think it went fairly smooth. We're prepping already for next year. So at this point, half of my brain is here and the other half is already on next year's competitions.
Yeah. I mean, you're really mixing it up. Like we had history, right, for the Oregon Trail, and we're like, oh, we're back on history, and then it's like, nope, we're back on,
Well, did you read
winter.
did you get to read the this is actually historical.
I did.
Finland and Soviet conflict.
Yeah, I only heard that from one of the coaches that said that. I didn't know that beforehand, so glad to figure that
So
out.
maybe I'll have to show you guys the territory docs. Have you been looking at any of the capital defense projects yet?
No, I was gonna ask you when we were allowed. if
I
there
mean,
was
it's
any
I would
time.
start now if
Oh,
I were
okay.
you,
Okay,
because
yeah.
there's 20 of them to take a look
Okay,
at, and
yeah,
we're
we'll
halfway
take a look.
through some really great stuff.
Great, yeah. All right. So, what happened with what was the inspiration for the CDP?
So the CDP almost exclusively falls to Dev to come up with. He's got always like a really creative kind of way of spinning it. So we went back and forth a little bit as a team for this one, but it usually comes down to Dev saying at the end of the day, here's a good idea, and then we kind of vote on it. I liked the CDP for this one because it's a little bit of introductory,
Yeah.
and then staying on theme. I think we're going to eventually have to bring back something song related because even though this didn't have a song requirement, I saw lots of teams come with songs in it or like a little rap at the beginning of some sort.
I mean, I remember our CDP for 6th grade, the
shanty?
The shanty.
That was cool, right?
We made Python Life for Me, and it was
It was a good
interesting.
one.
Yeah.
I thought that was a ton of fun.
Yeah.
I mean,
I liked it. Yeah.
I wasn't really sure how teams would react to it because obviously this isn't a music competition, but turns out it is a music competition.
Yeah, well, we try, even though we might not be the most musical. We
yeah, you guys did.
we
you
get
did-
out there,
You did a good job.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then I forgot what I was gonna say now. I had a question. Oh yeah, I was gonna say I figured Dev made the CDP just by how it was written out.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
But yeah, well, the competition's going great. We got half of it left, so I'm excited to see how it goes.
Half of it left. It seems like, we're starting to get to that point where teams are getting a little frustrated, They come out, they put their best foot forward. And I think, this is 4th and 5th grade students in the room. So we've probably got kids as young as 9. And this is a lot for 3 hours of intense work, lots of focus. And it's not it's not like just skipping in the park. They really have to think about it. There's the strategy of it. And I think even just being a little bit intimidated, there's teams that have been doing this for all 6 years. I mean, not these guys, but generationally, they're coming up through it. So I'm seeing a lot of nervousness in the room, but excitement. So it's what's to be expected.
I mean, I know we even got a 3rd grader on the Hot Pog team. I mean, we're really getting down there.
I heard that. So maybe we have 8-year-olds in the room.
Yeah.
I mean, and that's a lot, but I'm impressed. They're conducting themselves with really a lot of composure. And I think everybody's focused and trying hard. So.
I mean, my question's when's the Color by Code kindergarten hackathon coming?
Oh my gosh. Don't ever speak of that again. Well, Code Conquest is always in a product development mode, so we're going to do some internship programs this summer that'll focus around some of the Code Conquest development. we ultimately want to be able to have this more accessible for our teachers to launch in the classroom,
Mhm.
but more one-on-one play where kids can just queue up and be in a
Yeah.
competition.
I mean, that would be great. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's really, we're going towards it. We've been full focus on AI, and our AI tool set coming out.
Yeah.
So you just got to kind of find your time when you can do that. But now we're really well through a pilot program. We've got a lot of districts in using the AI. So now we can start to think about our summer dev work. But Code Conquest's on the list.
Yeah. All right. It's anyone's game right now.
It's anyone's game.
All right.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
We
All right,
are back.
well, that was Mentor Melora. Great interview. Got a lot of background on what's going on with everything. The theme creation, all of that. All right. Okay, let me take a look. All right, we should probably get to CDPs soon. I got confused. I remember now thinking back. She said once the map opens. I thought she meant once judging starts. So we'll get to those in a second. Yeah, really can't wait to look at those. All right, right now I'm pulling up those CDPs. Let's see. Oh, Shelter Rock in first with 11 points. Is that what we're looking at here?
Yeah.
Wow, and then Islip Hackers in second. They said this was their first year, and they're in 9 points, second place, and Muncie Park right behind them, tied for third. All right.
We have a lot of attacks on Shelter Rock, like almost every single territory, I think. I don't know if our map is up to date or not. I don't think it is.
Yeah, I don't know if the map is 13. All right. Let's see. I'm looking at we got a lot of stuff. 200 plus hackers. Wow. Okay, so we got 200 kids here. Apparently, I guess our numbers off. I thought we said 20. Sam, I thought we said 20 times 8 was 160. You said 20 plus 200 plus hackers, so maybe we're off somewhere there.
We
All
might also be adding teachers and other coding
You're
people.
right. You could be doing that.
Unsure.
Let's see. Okay. Okay. Only share. Gotcha.
That link
All
just
right. Yeah, so we got a little map doc for ourselves up here so we know how the map works. I had already studied this, so I know most of it. The other thing is I was going to say, if you guys use KidOYO, anyone listening, there's a new challenge up in Code LI. Maybe you guys want to grab this. There's a new challenge up in Code LI created by Sam and I for TSARP. If you attend the TSARP UE Hackathon live stream, you can earn a badge on KidOYO. Designed by Sam. All you have to do, what? Oh, you have to submit a screenshot. Yeah, no, there's no unfair advantages here. But yeah, you gotta submit a screenshot if you watching the stream, and then you can get the badge.
I'll take a photo of Andrew Weir at a random point when he's like, eating
Thanks.
something.
I'm gonna love that.
Catch him on guard.
I mean, I'm the one checking those, so maybe I fail. No, I'm kidding. I would never do that. I wouldn't. You could. No, I mean, I would rather not. If anyone, no, now everyone's gonna see that horrible picture. God, no, please.
They want to interview the Shelter Rock coach.
They want
Shelter Rock coach.
Shelter
yeah, I
Rock
was
has
just talking to them,
13
so
points now.
All right, Shelter Rock doing amazing with 13 points. Fantastic. It's still, like I just said to Melora, anyone's game. Everyone can still come back and win and steal
Everyone is in between 10 points of each other. So it wouldn't take much to, because not necessarily someone getting up to that number, because the bigger number, it's going to get pulled down by all these other competing teams. We're looking at the photo right now of Andrew. They can't see it right now. I think you have to go to the other thing.
How do I open it? Click on the.
There.
Just share the Andrew, so you can see.
He's getting leaked publicly
it's truly
now.
wonderful.
114 viewers and 100
21 more subscribers and do a jumping jack.
Yeah. I think you should do more than the jumping jack, I mean, we're going to gain like 70 followers, so.
I'll do push-ups.
Under the table.
You have to no, not under the table. You have to do like a push up like right there, you know? Like
Uh-huh.
oh shoot. Sorry. Hope Andrew doesn't see that. Andrew is coming back with coaches this time though. He isn't. Never mind. He is not coming back with coaches.
That doctor. Who do you got? Have Dr. Farrell?
I think it's time you stay in one of our seats. You know, like the end seat. Oh no, they are coming.
Don't step
We
on
do
the
have to
screen.
go.
iPad, Jalen.
Okay, we gotta go.
That's how they break.
I didn't even know what probably.
Yep. All right, so if you guys want to come around here, yeah.
So.
Yeah, if you just want to sit there, thank you.
Right, Andrew.
All right, and you guys got the mic. I
Yep.
think we only have one, so yeah.
No, they gave you one.
I'll
didn't they?
talk close.
Oh,
All right.
all right.
thank
Is
you.
that good?
Well, you guys are from Manhasset, right? Two different teams?
We are.
All right.
Two
Well,
teams, one dream.
One dream.
all right. Well, you guys, both your teams are doing very well right now. Shelter Rock, last time I checked, was in first. Muncie Park, I think, was in third, right?
At this point.
Yeah, the leaderboard. Both of you are doing very well. In the UE competition last year, you also did well, right? And then you won MS. So
We
You
did.
guys-
We do pretty well, that's for sure. But our kids are really work hard, and they really are the heart of the team. They love this. They enjoy KidOYO so much, and they put their all into it on every day, really.
yeah. So how did the pre-competition stuff go with like the CDP?
Very well. Both our teams work together throughout the whole season. Both teams work together, both of us work together. And then when it comes to this week, that's when we kind of start to separate. So we're, did our own capital defense projects, and, them trying to figure out the riddle and break it down and work as a team to build it. It's great to see. I think understanding the riddle is always the
Yeah.
hardest part, because everybody's interpretation is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So they actually brought like live snowballs with them today, because it said the
Awesome.
challenge was for live snowball snipers. So they kind of incorporated their project and brought snowballs with them, so that they can kind of bring their capital defense project to life. So that was kind of fun. They definitely worked really hard on them. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Spent a lot of time
Trying
and-
finishing up late at night Wednesday.
And even when we leave, they band together. They do Zooms or Google Meets, and they've been working together, which we just learned about too. I didn't even
Yeah.
know they were doing that. So it's
Yeah,
interesting
they were
how
supporting each other,
they're
our
supporting each
captains
other,
very
yeah.
well, so it was really
captains,
heartwarming to
they
see.
talk and
Yeah.
they try to help each other out. So it's always about like teamwork and sportsmanship above all.
Yep.
So I do like that they are very helpful, and they're not just so competitive.
Yeah.
So it's a good part about them, right?
Awesome. Do you guys have like an artist on your team, working on the banner and logo? How did that go?
It was with the 2 spring breaks, it was a little bit crazy this year. It was a
Times
shorter
essential.
timeline, we feel like, so we had a lot less. So what we typically do is we have everybody, even the non-sprite editors, they submit their banners, they submit their logos, and they vote on the winners.
Gotcha. All right. Well, awesome. I'm looking at
Muncie
all
Park
this.
just moved into second place.
Awesome.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Good job, Ms. Casella.
Yep.
So you can see we are always supportive of each other too. We really try to help each other out as much as possible. Plus all the other coaches as well. We always like to give them some advice and work with them. And they've really helped us to grow to the positions we are today. So between KidOYO and all of the other coaches and mentors, I think it's a nice community. You really get to work with a lot of great people.
Great. Well, both your teams doing well. Can't wait to see the rest of the competition.
Because you did an amazing job of doing the student broadcast. And I know you were one of the people that started it from the beginning. So
Thank
you made this grow to be a very successful program. So we want to definitely give you guys a shout out in your team, because it's really nice.
Thank you. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope the rest of the competition goes well for you guys.
Thanks for
Thank
having
you.
us. Have a good day, guys.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. All right. So you can take that mic, Sam. All right, that was the Manhasset coaches. Their teams are doing very well right now, with Shelter Rock in first and Muncie Park in second. I love their collaborative efforts, both of them.
always work hard together with their teams. How about I shift this over because everyone else isn't here. All right, there you
I
go.
wonder what
I
they
think
got
they
for
probably
lunch.
went to go get some popcorn, more popcorn. Or you want coffee?
Don't they have coffee in the room?
Yeah, they probably do, but
Okay.
You know, Sam,
All
I
right.
heard that coffee is actually really bad for your health.
Where'd you hear that from, Steven?
Oh, Muncie Park looks like it's tied with Islip Hackers. Do we have the phone? See if we have a oh, refresh that just see if that's live. Trying to get oh, okay, it looks like Islips now took second. Muncie Park back in third from what I can tell. Yeah.
You know, I'm
All
seeing
right.
the best page crystal coders climbing up over here.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, Bethpage had a run up in the junior too. They kind of started lower and then they came back and did they get second? They either got maybe they got second or no, they got third. Mineola was second, I'm pretty sure.
But yeah, they did come back pretty strong.
They did, yeah, they did really well there. So awesome to see. How's chat looking? What's everyone saying in the chat? Let's go Muncie Park.
So Joe has hacked Miss Thompson's account. That's great.
It's lunchtime.
Oh, great. Gigabytes working hard. Let's go Amityville. All right. Belmore making big moves. Go Islip Hackers. Go Sam. Sam, I don't know if she.
No, she did me. She did me.
I don't think so, Sam.
Positive. Probably not, but
Thank you.
sure. Not sure.
I am.
All right. Yeah, I love seeing all the different teams represented in the chat. Awesome. Always awesome to see. We're up to 29 likes, 1,180 subscribers, and 120 concurrent viewers. All right.
Joe just said, I hate Eagles.
Oh, Joe on hacking into Miss Thompson's account. Wild. I wish she could be here with us. We would interview her if she was here. We'll interview her at
Pretend she's off camera.
Oh, hi, Miss Thompson. How are you doing?
Hello, Andrew.
You're not gonna like your impression of her, Sam.
Hello, Andrew. Miss Thompson.
We should get her on the phone and then
Yeah, that's
over here. All right. Let's see. Anything changing on the map there? No, same places.
Oh, message retracted.
Oh.
Someone took back what they said.
That was I hate Eagles. Joe took back I hate Eagles. All right. I wonder where our co-stars went. All right, guys. My mic is a lot bigger now. I don't. Oh.
Oh. Why'd you kick it that way?
I would go get a guest, but I don't want to leave both of you. We would have gone from 6 people to 2 very quickly, so I would get a guest after they come back.
Last time we had 2 people, it went pretty well.
You're right. You're right.
Yeah.
All
Should I
right.
steal Mr. Ferrara?
Oh, we could get Mr. Farr on here. Maybe we'll get him on now while we wait for him. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go get him. Hold on, everyone.
It appears Mr. Farr is doing the same thing he did last
Hey
hackathon.
guys, look, I'm on 2 mics. Steven, this is a great idea, right? My bad.
Yes.
That didn't work.
Welcome back, Miss Thompson. I also love the Eagles.
Great.
Your coworker, Mr. Farr, is sitting in the bleachers again. I
Yes.
think that's his favorite hobby.
Oh yeah.
Shelter Rocks still in first, 12
Yeah.
points.
Here we go.
Do you want to go?
No.
Okay. Then Islip Packer is in second with 10 points. And Monty Park Tiger is also in second with 10 points. Everyone else is below 6 points, which is kind of interesting to see. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it is. But everyone below 6 points is pretty much even. Like it's not a big difference at all.
Yeah, it's only
2 points.
yeah, and also it's only 6 points from first.
First place, yeah. It's a very first game. We can change any second. Yeah, excited. A lot of it-
Orange color is starting to grow on me.
Yeah. There seems to be a couple of attacks on purple.
A little bit.
Which I slip. So.
Wait, no. Wait, yes. There's 2 purple.
Yeah, there's a few.
Lloyd Harbor has the dark.
Hello.
So Lloyd Harbor has the darker purple, and Packers are the lighter purple, which are more down here in the lower map.
Yeah.
You can't
They
see
can't
that.
see
I
us.
can't see my mouse. I can't see my mouse. I don't think you can see my mouse. But yeah, I think we might be getting an interview soon. It depends on.
Were you at Jackson?
No.
No.
You never, oh, you're not, are you the guys that do the podcast?
Yeah.
How do you say it? TSARP. I always see like.
Yep. TSARP, TSARP, subscribe.
We totally aren't an aviation service.
No.
Why does it keep doing this to me?
You got him.
Oh, where's my mic? Oh. All right, he's coming over, Mr. Ferrara.
It doesn't look like he wants to be interviewed.
Oh, he wants to be interviewed.
Are you sure?
He's real excited. When I told him, he was like, "I'm so privileged." Just to... Yeah.
I bet he was
No.
jumping out of his seat.
All right. He showed up. The camera? The camera's currently shifted. Hold on. We gotta. There you go. We got 109 people watching. Oh.
Hi, 109 people. Do I hold it or do I have to like put it on?
It's up to you.
Feels weird like this. Hello,
Okay.
109 people.
You sure you don't want me to go like that?
I mean, that's cool too.
All right. Well, so you are here, even though you're not a coach on the Eagles team, but you did recently have a win in the junior division.
Yes. So I'm here. My capacity, I think, is more of a consultant towards the.
I think
coach-
your mic's facing the
Oh,
other
so
way
maybe
there.
I should hold it.
See, maybe you should hold it.
I'm not good with technology.
I've noticed.
So yeah, I'm here to help the Code and Eaglets, the Hopog team, in case they need any help. I'm also here to supervise some podcasters and make sure they're.
I wonder who they are.
So.
All right. Yeah, no relation to us at all. All right. So, how do you think the team's doing from like, you're looking on from a different perspective?
Yeah, I mean, it's a lot less pressure from my standpoint. I get to just kind of watch from afar and answer questions here and there. But what I've seen from Hopog is they seem to be right where they want to be. We kind of make an analogy to horse racing. Sometimes it's not great to get out. Just inside 1 hour.
Just inside 1 hour. All right.
Right, tied with the Muncie Park Tigers. Shining Star Coders.
There's an
has done a
announcement if
lot
you
of
can't hear
jam
it.
in that third place spot. Just inside an hour. Keep pushing. Don't give up. You got a lot in front of you.
All right.
Yeah, so like I was saying, Hopog sitting with 7 points. That the difference between 7 and 12 seems like a lot, but that could just be a couple territories
Oh, yeah.
in the end of the day, because there's some 2-point territories out there. If you take them from the right team, the points can shift. And sometimes teams hold out to the end and put all their challenges out that are winning at the very end. So again, anyone's game. I like that it's super close. There are teams all the way down to the bottom that are in reasonable striking distance. No one's running away with it. So like I said, it's a lot easier to see this from afar from my standpoint. I guess just kind of sit back and watch.
Yeah, and these kids eventually will be coming up into one of your divisions soon. I think even next year, right? Some of the kids.
So yeah, I mean, a little bit of scouting for myself to see who might be in line for 6th grade middle school hackathon team with the kids that are coming up. Nice nose, Sam. And and then yeah, this scouting the competition. So it's always nice to see who we have to look out for when we're battling. But with this division, there's 4th and 5th graders. There could even be some 3rd graders out there. So we don't know how quickly some of the good teams will elevate. But it's just good to see who to keep an eye on. But then at the same time, you got teams like in our junior division that was Sayville that just came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Unexpected.
First year, and where did they end up? They ended top 3, right? Or was it
2nd or 3rd? I wish I remembered.
second? I think it was Mineola. They were probably 3rd.
3rd, yeah. So just goes to show you, like any school, anytime, just kind of gets the right mix of motivation and preparation.
Yeah.
And yeah, that could be anybody's game. So.
All right, so you got another competition coming up soon in the MS division. How's that going?
We're just starting to feel out who might be making the team. We have a lot of candidates. The 6th grade is a different approach than the 7th and 8th grade for us because we don't know anybody. So everyone comes in kind of in a blank slate. In the past, and including this team, there's no one with any prior hackathon experience. So it's not like something you look to. In the future, with this team having kids that are already competing, that will obviously play a role in tryouts. But for now, we're just trying to assess who is who wants to be on the team and then what they can bring to the table and help the team. We have a skill dash scheduled for the end of the month. And those are always great for tryouts to see who's quick and who's creative and who can handle the pressure, which is, you know, pretty important on days like today. So
All right.
we'll be making those decisions in the coming weeks, probably right after break.
All right, awesome. Well, thanks for joining us.
Good luck with
We'll
the rest of your
we'll-
telecast.
Yeah, we'll get more interviews with you as the season progresses, you
Sounds good.
know.
Anytime. Good
All
luck.
right. Yep. Thanks. All right. There you go. I don't know where our co-hosts are, our co-stars.
They left us.
They disappeared.
wanted to-
I have a weird suspicion they're at lunch right now because they just served lunch. And I have a weird suspicion that's where, oh, they came back after eating their lunch. No, I don't know where they were. All right, when they come back, maybe we'll disappear for a second and get lunch. But
Yeah. I wanna get the costume on.
I'm looking they got a lot of stuff out. People are holding pizzas and stuff, but all right. Let's see. Oh, let me shift the camera back. See if it's here. Put it. I don't even know what your costume is. If you didn't know,
Snowman.
well, I figured, but like, you know. Really? I thought you were wearing
It's a
it.
snowman right now.
If you didn't know, every hackathon, Sam wears a costume
I'm a unicorn.
to the theme.
I'm a unicorn.
Yeah.
Wow, no, I think a unicorn's more up there. Yeah, there you go.
I got lunch, guys, in this canister.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
All right, hold on one second.
Should I get my costume on? Like,
I will be back.
you're gonna get it soon. Might send you things back. I think I'll put it on. Oh,
They're all blue now.
oh yeah, it's fine.
I
It's
don't know
okay.
what the blue means. I don't own these mics.
Blue means there's no voice cancellation on.
Guys,
Soda.
we're back.
We're back. Like
Oh,
took soda.
back. Oh, bye, guys.
Yeah, where's the mics? What happened to your phone? Okay, there we go.
A lot of things happened, actually.
Yeah.
No, in the coaches lounge, there's like a scoreboard, and it's really updated.
Oh.
Like,
Oh, Sam.
Yeah.
It said you too. You too. The lady who said go Sam.
Oh.
what happened?
There's a lady that said go Sam, and we were making jokes how she was talking about this Sam. And then now she's saying you this Sam too.
Thank you.
Can you say Grant is also amazing?
Please don't. Grant is
Thank you, Steven.
bad.
Islip is second place. You probably already said this, but like,
I step in second place, fellas.
No.
Oh no.
Internet issues
The
again.
Wi-Fi is not good.
It's almost as if the Wi-Fi goes out when you turn on your phone.
Oh, wait a minute.
Steven, are you causing the Wi-Fi problem?
It's working for me now. That's for sure.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh. We're having an earthquake right now.
That's a dance party.
It was a 4-point challenge. Whoever could dance the most gets 4 points.
Yeah.
They're watching you from the art room. And
Yeah, good job, Islip. Doing really good.
I don't know how to pronounce her name. I'm sorry.
Just saying that.
Michael.
Yeah, Michael and Anisha.
And Alicia. Your homeroom is watching you, and I believe in you.
Nice.
I believe
We have a
in
lot.
you. Your
We have a
homeroom's
lot of
there. What did
supportive
I do?
comments.
No, you're forgetting.
Oh, move down, guys, move
Hi,
down.
I'm gonna get my costume on.
Oh, here, you want your mic? Yes, please.
I walked past us in the hallway. Apparently, we're playing in the hallway out there,
Oh, great.
right next to the Mineola like dedication sign. So you know they're really proud of us, Mineola. So glad that we can be recognized. And it was funny. I walked past and it's really delayed out there, just because like they're loading. So I was still on the screen and some girl goes, "Hey, that's the same kid." And I was like, "Yeah, it's really delayed."
He's in 2 places
Ugh.
at once.
Yeah, like you that's
Oh, they're handing the shirts out right now.
Okay. Oh, the shirts are being handed out. We should probably shift this so you can.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
I want another shirt of the same
All right.
color.
I
So good. Speaking of shirts.
did you guys get lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a very heavy lunch.
What?
I don't want to know actually.
Because I was gonna go in there, but there's so many people in there, I didn't feel like it.
You're afraid they'll
Oh, I'm welcome. I'm always welcome.
Andrew, are you afraid
Okay,
they'll
you're kinda
recognize
right
you?
there. I see what you mean.
They have bacon.
You're
they have
putting on your
pizza.
costume.
They even have a drinks thing.
What?
Yeah, I should really go before it's all gone.
I need
All right. I mean, I know. I've done a few of these. I don't know if you noticed. They always have good food, though.
Also, if you leave, then like we get to do the podcast, and we're pretty good at podcasting.
You're right. What if I gave you this for like 10 minutes
are
just
really
you?
really
Yeah.
You are doing good.
Remember
Yeah.
the last time you were on TSARP?
When was the last time you were on TSAT?
Like hack the website.
Oh yeah, that's wonderful.
I just watched his tower. His tower water bottles. No.
I was on is when I asked you to play
I don't,
Fortnite with
actually,
me.
you don't even have a mic. You're talking into nothing.
Oh,
You probably couldn't hear them because we're not very intelligent. But now you can. Okay, well, we have 4, but only some of them are currently functioning. So we're trying our best here. Let's see. Can you actually? We have more than 4, but anyway. Yeah. So we were talking about the last time you guys were on TSARP.
Yes.
And I don't know, probably like a year ago. Had to be.
I've been more recent because like I'm just amazing. Can I?
Really? Wow, that's crazy.
I was featured in that one episode where they hacked you guys.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, our sworn enemies hacked into our website.
Can I show them the video from like a really long time ago? Like the first like pinned
Sure.
video in general chat.
Depends what the video is.
It was like it was the same edit.
Some of the stuff you make is very
Oh.
interesting.
It's not
Yeah.
It's because of the
Let's take a look at the map. The reason I keep not is because it's not changing. Yeah, the places are the exact same. Look, Shelter Rock's in 13. Just has 13 points now. They're doing real well. Oh, actually, Islip and Muncie Park are tied now. Everyone, again, doing very well. We got about a little under an hour left to this competition. It's going real well. Again, energy, the exact same as it started. Really up there, really excited. Can't wait. Can't wait. Is the countdown on the map yet? No.
Yeah, 54 minutes.
54 minutes, everyone.
Tune in.
Let's see.
20 more
All right, guys, I'm going to have to
Oh,
go
yeah.
face that room full of people to get my lunch. If we can get 20 subscribers in 54 minutes, yeah,
I'll do a jumping.
There's only 2 mics.
More than a jumping.
Oh,
jack.
I'll
yeah,
do
I
2
forgot.
jumping jacks.
All right, should we go get lunch and let them take over? It's a costume. Man, how do you forget the top hat? Come into frame here. Yeah.
yeah.
Wow, there you go. If he had a top hat, I mean, it would really. Yeah.
Get in frame, guys.
Oh, hello, chat.
Hello, chat. 1,181 subscribers.
Yeah.
We're getting close to 1,000 views, Grant. You're gonna have to do a jumping jack. I'm telling you.
Man.
Yeah. All right. So I think. Yeah, I think we're gonna go get. All right. I think we let them take over now. No, I think we're gonna go get lunch now. So we're okay. Thanks for checking in. All right. All right. Let's hand this over.
Yeah.
You guys can scoot down.
Move over here. Let's give everyone.
All right. Yeah.
I have green light.
Oh yeah, that's good.
No.
I don't know what mics are the
I have
ones
a
that
blue mic.
work. I'm kind of confused. I
Hello?
think the one I'm holding works though.
Okay. If you can hear me on the chat, put a hi, I can hear you.
All right, so now it's only like amazing people talking, you know.
Oh,
none of-
let's get Joe in the frame. Let's get Joe.
Oh yeah, we need Joe too.
Yeah, Joe.
Woo, Joe!
Let's
All right,
go.
now all 3 of us can talk freely.
Uh,
Should we change their channel, like change their bio or something? That'd be
no,
kind of
let's be
funny.
nice, let's be- Oh. Final hour.
There's go you never know.
I don't know if you guys could heard that, but we have a little bit less than an hour left.
52 minutes and 42 seconds to be precise.
Yes. Everyone's working very hard, as you can see. I know they're either intensively coding or they're, intensively eating like donuts, which kind of makes me jealous, even though I just had like chips and we just had lunch. But yeah, I mean, we can kind of ransack their table because I didn't eat their Starburst yet. Here, Joe.
Can we talk about like the hackathon? I'm pretty sure that's what the people.
Oh yeah, sorry. You probably were watching because like your kid's in the hackathon.
Oh my god.
He just got a really good Starburst. Okay.
Still anyone's game.
Still anyone's game.
It's a pretty good lead. But it's not like it's not over until it's
Yeah.
over.
There's still some territories that haven't even been touched yet. You know, the white ones. Yeah, you can see Shelter Rock has a good amount of territories. The lowest school is at 4 points. Oh, we're good. We just saw our librarian from like 3rd and 4th grade. Something's happening again with the back
dance
camera.
party.
But yeah, she was a pretty good librarian. Anyway,
Oh wait, they judged this territory over here, the blue one.
oh, Shelter Rock lost a point.
The one that's like been attacked.
Now second place is Muncie Park and Ice Slip. Ice Slip kind of came out of nowhere there.
Ice Slip has always been here.
Oh,
They've been like.
we kind of missed
No,
like 30 minutes.
Crystal Coders is like up there. They were
are?
like they didn't have a lot of points and now they're really up there.
Oh
so
yeah,
that's
they did
good.
go up there.
Same with the Code Busters. Both Bethpage teams were like kind of like had low points, but now they're back in it to win it.
Like we said before, I mean, it's really anyone's game. And there's some teams that really are doing that strategy where they don't submit anything. Then all of a sudden they flood the map with amazing projects. Projects that people haven't seen before and can't prepare for. So, you're going to see a lot of that happening. That's going to be pretty cool when it comes to it. Do we have any kind of updates? I guess you kind of just went over them.
Yeah. Hop Hog just defended. Ice Slip just defended. It's going pretty chill, pretty swell.
Check the chat. Do we have any chat that we can look at?
Let's see. We can hear you. We can hear you. Great. Nice. Thank you guys. Nothing else. If you want to give us some comments.
Oh yeah, you can give us comments. We can answer them, kind of like story or something. So yeah, give us questions.
Oh yeah.
And we will answer them truthfully without TSARP near us.
Salem. With the enemy. We're on TSARP.
We love TSARP.
Guys, we've only got like 2 subscribers. Come on. We need like 17.
Oh, yeah. We need 17 more so Grant can do hopefully more than 1 jumping jack.
I'll think about it.
He'll think about it.
1 is a lot, but
1 is not a lot. I mean, how much you were just saying before that you didn't like eating like all that pizza and how you wanted to eat more and more pizza. And we've also been sitting down the entire day.
I think we need to cut back on.
yeah.
If you have your feet days in there.
Oh. I did?
Yeah.
I don't think we're allowed to like interview another teacher while they're not here. Mostly because we don't know like the proper questions because we don't want to, screw
Or
it
like
up.
the list.
Or the list. We don't want to screw it
If
up.
you guys want to give us like a suggestion, I'll probably
Yeah.
find one. But
And then we can kind of pass it along too. I know one of them was like the artist question, which 2 artists or like, do you have any artists on your team? We already talked about banners. Did we talk about logos yet?
what? They're all defended. Okay, there's so many defenses. It's
Yeah,
like a
there's
lot.
of defenses.
Like
Really good
normally there's
practice.
more wins or
Alright.
attacks.
Let me get the garbage out of view.
Honestly,
Alright,
all these banners are like pretty good.
do you want me to show the logos?
Like sometimes there's like a really quick one who like one you could easily see is probably gonna win, but we're actually not sure. They're all really good.
How do you make it like if I go to like Google, is it gonna like mess it up?
Hold on.
Like it just goes like that, but like go to the live stream. Go to the live stream.
No, yeah, I know.
Can you guys see Google too?
No, they can't. I know
Oh.
what you have to do. Hold on. So
No, don't touch anything.
Yeah,
'Cause
yeah,
I
I
don't
know.
want to mess up their stream.
Oh, hey, 2 people just dropped. But we got 2 subscribers. If you left the stream to go subscribe, that's okay.
Yeah. To be honest, I was not expecting TSARP to have this many viewers. I didn't realize how big they were, you know. And then all of a sudden they hit 1,000 followers, and I was like, oh, wow, that's pretty cool. And now it's pretty cool. And I'm not just saying this so you would ignore the other things that I said earlier.
A lot of intense competition going on between the teams.
Yeah.
Talking, some stressing, but yeah. Just about 47 minutes left. Stay tuned. It's gonna be really interesting. What happened to the phone?
It doesn't matter, but we gained another follower.
I would put the phone back, but I think it turned off, and I don't know Andrew's phone password. So.
Oh. No, we can just pull it up on our phone. I can show them the logos through my phone. Although I don't know if my internet will work. Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh, yo.
I mean, they can kind of see it on the right.
If
you look closely.
Here, I got it. Face ID. Thank you, TSARP, for that passport a while back. You know, I haven't really used it too much, but it helps. Also, shout out to KidOYO who made the AI communities. I haven't really looked too much into it yet because I haven't been too frequent on KidOYO, but I will give that a look later or soon, depending on when Andrew comes back.
Attack has been launched on interior territory.
Oh, that is true. A vacant one.
A vacant one.
If you are a teacher watching this and you think some of your teacher friends from other schools might want to do this, feel free to tell them because the more the merrier. Not for the Wi-Fi, but for the competition.
Oh yeah.
The more teams we get, the better. So it's always fun competition. It's a great time. Teaches the students how to learn. So yeah, I say you should do it. Not how to learn, how to code. Sorry.
It turns out I don't think I can actually access the logos. So
Stop making false promises, Aylin.
I'm sorry. I mean, I can check again, try a different way. I feel like the viewing link that our teacher sent us.
Check the chat. Make sure nobody wants any. Hold on, let me check.
Here, let me check chat.
What challenge did you guys like the most during your hackathon?
Oh.
That OYO website one. That was fun.
Oh, so basically, we had to make an OYO website. I was chosen for that. Although then I did pass it to Grant, I think.
No, yes, yeah.
Okay, so I made a pretty decent website. I mean, it wasn't that great, wasn't that bad. I made it within 10 minutes, so it's kind of a rushing project. The project that beat me, I'm still kind of annoyed by this. The cover of their website said "Move West." What?
Huh?
Huh? I'ma stop. But that was a pretty cool challenge.
I like this. There was this one Python project. It was like a simulator of a day in the life of someone crossing the Oregon Trail, and it was pretty interesting to make. It was pretty fun, complicated. I liked it.
Sadly, I also lost that challenge, but the one that did make it, it was really cool. I don't know Python 3, but it kind of inspired me to learn it.
Did Andrew get that? No, it's
I think it was someone from Hopog though. I'm not completely sure.
I also like the quizzes. They were ones I liked and knew how to do. So
yeah.
So many defenses here. It's honestly crazy. It's just defense after defense.
We only have 2 more untouched territories. There's an attack on one of the third one. Oh no.
And Andrew Weir is back.
This is
with his Coca-Cola.
He has a Coke and a bagel.
And a bagel. No pizza?
No pizza.
No pizza? Oh, we got 3 more subscribers.
We also have Sam and Steven coming back with only a Coke. It appears Flash is on the Coca-Cola can. Shout out to Flash.
Oh wait, this is just my chair. Okay.
Wait, here you go.
Grab on the podcast.
Who needs a mic? Andrew, you need a mic?
Yes.
Mics. Anyone want a mic?
Mike.
You have a mic. You have a mic. There you go. Okay.
All right, we're back, everyone. What happened?
Sadly.
Oh yeah, we don't know.
It turned off.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I have a charger.
I do too. Where do I get it then?
Guys, I'm back.
Oh no, you can take it. Okay, we're plugging in the phone. They'll have the bottom camera back in a few minutes. It's really hot too. It's like overheating.
1,187.
Let's go. 13 more followers.
13
Subscribers.
more. And then we hit our little goal.
I know I keep saying this, but there's just so many attacks and so many defenses. A lot of good coding by these teams.
So yeah, the thing since we left.
Something happened to the team attacking the vacant territory. It was disallowed for whatever reason.
An account called Sherwood is going, proud of you, Sherwood.
Huh?
Is that like their official school account?
Sherwood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it?
I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna click on it. As you can see, I'm very dedicated to TSARP. Okay, so I cannot go into the account. Because I don't know how to use YouTube properly.
41 minutes left of this competition. It's so close. It's still everyone's getting in.
If you guys have any questions for us, feel free to put them in the chat.
What did you say?
If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat for us.
One of you does not have a real mic.
Hello? Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hold on.
Hello? Oh yeah, I have number 2.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, then I don't know who.
Launch. Hello? Alright, mine worked.
Right, then we're gonna test one. Hello? No, see, mine must not be real.
Oh.
Because it didn't go to peak.
So this means that this one's a real one. Yeah, we really got to just figure out like how to. For next time, it'll be all ready to go. What attacks are going on here? 12, 9, 8. Okay. So third place is tied between Muncie Park and the Coding Eaglets.
What school are the West Side Whalers from? I haven't seen them. Like, oh, Mets Rule. What a name. I agree with you, West Side Whalers, Captain.
That's a horrible name.
Show them the banner.
That name of that team's called Mets Rule, or the captain, and I said that's a horrible name.
Yeah, really show.
Yeah, we probably should.
Oh God, yeah, we should probably play those CDPs.
No, I think we're good. We'll show them if they win.
All right, we had some people do the challenge.
Yankees are cooler submitting solutions.
Oh, wow. Okay, I love that name. Okay, so let's figure out how to get these CDPs going here. Wow, we should have been playing these already. All right. Let's see how this goes.
Andrew, look at my new name. Your identity.
Breaking news. Thank you so much.
All right, so I got the links up here for the CDPs. Let's take a look at Bayville's is up first.
Town is at risk.
It's on the stream? Oh, no. Okay.
And let me see, window capture.
Go to properties.
I'm trying to get it all going.
Pick up.
All right, there you go. That is the first capital defense project we got. This is by Bayville. I like it. Joey, I guess. Oh, so they're saying the names of the team captains. Or not the team captains, the team members. All right, I like this.
Nice animation.
Uh-huh.
Character design.
I love when they put like all the players in there. We never normally do. We did that this year though. Oh, yeah, except for the first year. So we did it last year and this year. All right, I like it. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. I'm trying to. Uh-oh. There we go. All right. The next one is.
Somebody asked if the camera can cover all the kids also.
Yeah, we're trying here.
There's just like a lot of us. Wait, like us or
I don't know if it's us or the kids out there. The kids out there, we have a little problem with that camera died. Though we're trying to get it back soon though. All of us, yeah, there's just too many of us.
so shelter.
Shelter Rock is next with the CDPs. Let's take a look at theirs. All right. Here we go. It's loading.
If it loads for a while, that generally means it's good.
Oh wow.
Here we go.
What's up on mine? All right. Ooh.
Snowman attack.
I like this shadow
Start.
one.
All
That's
right.
good character design.
Yeah, I like that character design in there.
Nice shading on the mountains.
Should I pick someone or I don't know. Ah, there we go. Choose a character. M&M coder through all those. Let's go with.
Let's go with Danny Boy.
I was gonna say Danny Boy. All right, we got Danny Boy. Use arrow keys to go to the next screen. No, we are doing the live stream.
The judges are like somewhere else.
Yeah, they're at their homes. All right, let's go find them. Let's.
WSA.
I thought it.
Huh?
I thought it was.
You have to wait for that to finish.
Oh, here we go.
Oh no.
Oh no! The Shelter Rock Elementary School Hackathon team is gone.
That's good.
Oh.
Mhm.
Uh-oh.
Let's go find them.
I think maybe.
Huh. Yeah, it might be repeating. Just.
For anyone worried about that, it's fine. Bugs happen all the time. That rhymed.
I don't.
Huh?
If you made it like
This is 4 or 5 of them.
All right, let's see if I can do this. I'm trying to. I don't know if I can get past this glitch. I'm trying to use the arrow keys.
Try WASD.
I tried WASD. Continue to game. Okay.
Oh.
Oh no, I think it's just repeating here. All right.
All right.
Maybe we'll try to come back to that one at the end, see if we can get it to work. Next up is the Cyber Mustang.
I saw a bit of this, but I
Uh-huh.
actually haven't seen like the whole thing.
Did your brother make this, or was this?
He helped. Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone helped.
Everyone helped, yeah. That's how CDPs are normally made. This one's taking a little while to load. Like you said earlier, probably means it's good. Let's take a look at the leaderboard as we wait.
Oh, the iPhone.
Oh, hey, the camera's back. Hold on.
No, your password.
I'll get it going. The camera, the bottom kids in the room will get up soon as we wait for the CDP to load. As that happens, we can take a
changes
look.
have been made to the leaderboard at all.
Yeah, no real changes to the leaderboard. Inside 30 minutes, everyone.
According to one attack, one successful attack from the where'd they go?
34 minutes, everyone.
Oh, it loaded.
All right, the CDP loaded. I'm just trying to get the camera going here. All right, Steven, can you put that up?
yeah, so bad.
Let's see if. There's no way I shut it off. No, I think it just maybe died again. It was working, and then now I think
Let it charge for a bit.
Yeah, let me just let it charge up. Play the T by the Cyber Mustang. Start. All right, we have tap the members, fill the bar to enter the battle. Okay, begin. All right, tap that one. Ronald, tank driver, overseer. Tap to go back. Right, let's see this guy.
Chris.
Best moral support, best disguise. All right. I'm supposed to be filling this bar. I don't really know how, but I am.
By like I think interacting with people. Hey, that's my brother.
Clark, best sniper who only gets headshots with snowballs. Artillery.
It'd be kind of scary if he could
I'm
land
just tapping.
headshots
Oh
without
yeah, so as I
snowballs.
tap these people, best skier, a doctor who can patch up anyone. The bar is filling, I believe, as I go through them. It was, I think. Now I don't know. No, I don't know. Ronald. Who did I miss? I did Chris.
No.
I think I missed this one, right?
No.
No.
Huh.
Oh.
Stop trying that.
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh. Great job. You found us. Enemies are approaching. Defend the fort. Okay, come on. I got this. Begin. Begin. Uh-oh. Shoot. I'm doing this without, like, a wired mouse, so Fort tap here?
Yeah. You have to like equip the launcher. Yeah. Oh no, you have to. Tap the gun to get bullets.
Tap the gun?
Yeah, there you go. Now you have 5.
Oh.
Left, it says. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I got him. No, I don't think I got him. I don't think I got him.
Oh no, you got him that time.
Okay, maybe I'm getting them. I'm really good at this, guys. Wait, I need more bullets. I do. This is cool. This is very unique, very polished. We're playing the projects, yeah. Yeah, I like this one too.
So this
alright.
has a good chance for
Yeah, I think this has a good chance here. I mean, all
No
of them
bias.
again in the running. Hey, yeah, I don't know that bias there.
I'm just saying.
Miniola. No, I'm kidding. Especially that your own brother made it. Guys, don't worry. I don't have any younger siblings, so it's not a problem.
Do you have
I
any
can't
older
be biased.
siblings?
Yeah, but she doesn't code. All right. All right. Let's see. What? Okay, I've been shooting a lot, but I don't really know. I guess I can
You
get.
have to get 60 coins to win the game.
Oh, okay. Wait, I want to throw that thing at him.
What is that?
We'll never know. I need 60 coins.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the 60 coins soon.
Alright.
Let's see. I feel like I might not be able to play all these. I really
People love
should have.
watching us play it.
I really should have started earlier. Yeah, this is also distracting. Like
Yeah.
Melora said that we should put it on the
Yeah.
back screen, but I don't think that was a good idea because now all the kids are looking at us, which is distracting them in these final moments. Well, not final moments,
There's
but
just about 30 minutes left.
I'm almost there, guys. I'm gonna win. One more and then I win. Oh, no. 2 more than I win. Well, now 1 more.
Yeah.
Okay, now I click on here and then win the game.
Yeah.
Yay! I won.
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Oh, thank you. Oh, I got 2 here. Steven, take the other one.
Would you like one for this? Do you think Devin wants one? Who said Devin? Correct? Oh, Zaylen. You think he wants one?
Yeah, probably.
All right, let's take a look at the next one. This one's by Muncie Park. Let's let it load. Yeah, he's got a Python profile picture, but he did hatch.
It could also be by merit points.
Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Hop Hog and Muncie Park tied for second. Shelter Rock in first. All right.
The internet seems to get better.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
The internet's getting a little better.
You have a mic, right?
Yeah. All right. Just making sure. And then you gotta share that one. Yeah. Taking a little while. This is why we're not. This might be the reason we don't get to complete it all because we're doing it. We're playing CDPs over here. They're just taking a little while to load. It's not here right now. It's dead. So you don't get in the shot of the camera. Let's see what the chat's doing. You know, Miss Thompson was rooting for Miniola, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she's in the chat. She's going wild. It's probably Joe.
Joe said I took over Zealand.
All right. Yeah, the CDP's taking a while.
Zealand's talking about something. Yeah. Wow.
Who is this?
Yours.
For who?
You'll never get to know.
She called you Devin, yeah.
We love all of our viewers.
We love all of our viewers, yes. TSARP, do you know me? Who asked do we know them? Oh. TSARP, do you love me? We love all our viewers, yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. If anyone wants to put my seat, feel free.
I'll definitely steal your
Like
seat
Zealand.
for like a footrest. Okay, the CDP's having a lot of trouble.
Very big.
You're a really good librarian.
This won't load.
This is done.
Maybe we start doing it, yeah. Maybe try another one.
Or what if you
Let's see if this goes. All right, we're trying this one. See how it goes.
I know, but it's just.
Yeah, it's action. All right.
I don't think this is gonna work.
Yeah. Sorry, guys, if we don't get to all of them, but oh god. I'm just gonna close the window so you guys don't have to stare at it loading. But we'll keep taking a look. Oh, I think everything's frozen. It's stuck on. Wait, hold on. There we go. All right. And the leaderboard's back. It's a little broken there too. Maybe we can try to get that fixed. But all right, we got about 27 minutes left. We're checking the CDPs to see if they load. Oh, we got one to load. We got one to load. Let's play that. Oh no, I opened my calculator app. Mm-hmm. All right. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Here's this CDP. This one, let me check who this one's by. This is by, I think this is Willits Road. All right, so beep boop, which translate to, okay, I'll count. Let's see. All right, they're going to all the corners of the map. Okay.
Choose the blue one.
The blue one.
I'm so good at this.
Dang it, you found me. My name is Josephine. Oh no.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
Oh no, I'm hit. My name is Jonah, and my favorite part of winter, and I'll never get to see that. What? How did you find me? Anyway, my name is Andrew, and I am the captain of the Hackathon team. I like skiing and having snowball fights on sunny and snowy days.
Hey, do you like doing that?
Yeah, that's me. You didn't know? I'm on that team. Let's see this one. Oof, you got me. My name is Milind. Sorry, I mispronounced your name. Let's see this one. How dare you hit me? My name is Jackson. I'm in 5th grade, and my favorite. Really got to start reading faster. That's me, and my name is Miles, and I like to ski on a snowy winter day. At least not during the sunny days too. The other kids said during the sunny days, and I'm slightly confused how.
My favorite part
You
of
got me. My
winter.
name is Sophia, and I like watching Christmas movies during winter. All right. Why do I feel like they have more than 8 players? You found me. My name is Amira, and my favorite part of winter is drinking hot cocoa while watching a movie with my family. We are the East Williston Hack to the Future. All right. There you go. I like it. I like seeing all the different players. It's cool. Oh, no, that's the old one. Let's see if the other one I was trying to load loaded. Yes, it did. Here we go. Start the snowy surprise. Start. Hello, I'm Hacking Kenneth, and I am going to find... Inside 20 minutes, everyone. When we get down to 10. All right. We'll try to balance it. Okay, so let's take a look at the map while all this is going on. Hello.
No, you all missed me.
Yes. Let's see. 12, 9, 8. All right, so we got Muncie Park in 2nd, Shelter Rock in 1st, and Hop Hog and West Side Whalers tied for 3rd. And then down the list is Lloyd Harbor Lions, Willits Road Hack to the Future, Islip Hackers, Crystal Coders, Shining Star Coders. There's 20 of them. I don't think I could do them all, but there you go. That's the list. We're getting close, guys. We got 24 minutes left. Refresh that. Maybe that's off.
Yeah.
I think it might be. No, it's saying 24 minutes. But all right. And then once we get inside 10, CDP attacks can start, where these projects we're looking at can take each other on.
That's how our team got 2nd last year by 1.
Yeah. All right. Defend our fort. Move WASD. Shoot. Mouse. Look around with mouse. Start defending our fort. Hey, Sam, you want to play this one?
I want to play it.
All right. Sam, you can alternate. I just gotta go see if we want to do like a final interview. And then the list of them is in here.
Oh, this.
Okay.
Wait.
Put this on.
Oh God. Oh no. I don't even know where I am. Nope.
You're the.
Where am I?
You're the one.
Hey, I can't move.
Oh, all right, let's try again.
This is. Let's try this again. Oh. Oh.
This is interesting.
Uh,
I think I'm stuck here.
were we supposed to do this? Let's try this again.
All right, look at another one.
Oh,
They made a song.
all right, let's look at a different one.
Alright.
Um,
I think we're stuck.
yeah, we're kind of stuck.
Alright,
We broke the game.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Hold on.
No. Andrew, it won't game.
Something happened.
We're stuck, Andrew.
Let's move on. Nice ID photo. We're gonna still have this on Saturday.
All right, so this one is by That Page Codebusters.
Oh.
I'm sure you guys have mine.
Right. My favorite.
What?
So now we're hatching.
What? Oh, okay. All right.
No.
Should we go over
This
this one?
competition is pretty.
Oh yeah. So is that updated? I would take that as a yes. Would you like to?
Got the mic.
Just about 20 minutes left.
Yeah. Show
It's still really close.
With 12. They're still in the lead. They've been in the lead for like a while.
Yeah.
And Muncie Park and Hop Code was not far behind. It's pretty much stayed constant. Once we got settled in the game. So yeah, not much change.
All right, let's see how it's going. Yep, still really the same lineup here, same leaderboard. Did you guys play any more CDPs?
We don't know.
Let's take a look at this one here.
If we don't get to your CDP,
Yeah, if we don't
sorry
get to your
about that.
CDP, sorry for the loading issues and all that.
We'll also play the winners probably.
Yeah, we'll definitely play the
Yeah.
winners if we don't get to it. All
Someone
right,
really wants to play the
let's
winners.
take a look at this. All right, there's people popping up where I click in different spots.
Guys, we should listen to the characters with their phrases.
Oh,
Or
okay.
voices.
Listen, let's turn the audio up if we can.
Might be hard to, because like all the noise.
Oh, the tab's muted? Why is the tab muted?
Because many.
Can't really hear it. Let's turn the audio up.
I will close many.
That's not gonna do anything. Yeah, I can't. Speakers. All right. Well, apparently they are saying things as it's being played. I'm clicking around the screen. You can't see it. I'm doing it with the touch screen. Nothing much is not really seeing anything. We got the coaches around here for that team, so they're kind of looking. Apparently there's just phrases. I don't know if there's. Are we? I don't know. Maybe we got them all. I'm not sure. Was there? Do you want to?
We got them all, yeah.
Maybe 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need one more, I guess.
Do they have?
No, they only have.
Who are they?
Oh, do they not have like a full team?
Who are they?
Oh.
Are their names?
They do.
Who is this?
Okay.
Buskers?
I'm having trouble finding the rest.
I'll find it.
All right, Sam's gonna find them.
What are they? Codebusters?
We're in a little trouble. They also said things just with the noise in the room. It's we can't really hear it.
No, yeah, they have 8. I thought my mic was hit at for a second.
Maybe he's hitting very well.
All right, let's take a look at the leaderboard.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on with that. So, 12. Shelter Rock 12 points first. Muncie Park second 9. Hop Hog 8 and third. Tied with Westside Whalers with 8 and third. Oh, thank you.
Let's go.
Wait, I came prepared. I came with a case for it.
Oh,
we got a
Mustang.
sticker. Let's take a
Mustang's
look at
got
the
one.
stickers, everyone. Looks awesome.
That was one my brother told me he was waiting for.
What?
Mr. Parr sent us this image like 2 weeks ago, and I thought he made
It was not 2 weeks ago, Steven. It was earlier this week. All right, guys, let's take a look at
earlier this week that it was actually.
Is that gonna go in your pocket?
You got a sleeve for it?
Here we go. See, I got it in the case. I bet you don't have
I
this.
don't.
You should get a case. See, I take my sticker collection with a lot of pride.
I have a second steampunk moon sticker.
Mm-hmm.
Put mine on a water bottle.
Yeah, I do that too. I have a water bottle with like all my stickers on it.
We have the winning water bottle. Nice.
Yeah,
Okay. There you go. There's all my gloating. It's
You
a
guys have, like, an
rivalry.
extra spare water bottle
See,
you can give to us?
I wouldn't gloat with any other team, but it's that Mineola Hauppauge rivalry that,
We have a group chat named Rivals.
yeah, we have a
Yeah.
group chat called Rivals because, we're rivals.
There's like 4 deleted users in that you
Yeah.
could probably get rid of.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
7 times.
Yeah.
What you do to get banned.
And you did too, Steven, once.
Guys, we haven't gotten any subscribers in a while, so you should
Yeah,
subscribe.
yeah, guys, we haven't gotten any subscribers in a while, so we should get some. We're at 1,187. I mean, yeah, 87. Guys, if we get 13 more, Grant's gonna do a jumping jack, and that would be really cool.
Yeah.
So share with your
Because-
family and friends.
A really cool jumping jack. And we got 884 viewers. If we get to 1,000, he said he would also
I'll
do a
do
jumping
another
jack.
one.
So
Yeah.
we both are going to do 2.
You'll do 2
Yes.
jump. Whoa, that's wild.
More for sport activity.
We might.
Oh, we got one.
We got one. We might need to clear out these chairs for
4?
room for you to do
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Leaderboard's really the same right now. Yeah. Ah. All right. Let's take a look at this game.
Oh, nice.
Yo, what's up, people? Nice. All right. Hey, you finally get to see our faces because we got a face cam.
7 soft.
7 soft.
No.
Uh,
Oh, it was an extra
no,
one.
I was
Oh.
gonna try to get that coach to tell me how to play their game. Let's see if the camera is the camera just dead? My phone just died. Like I thought it was working, and oh, it's loading. Hold on, maybe we'll get the camera, everyone. I really wanted for like when the CDPs win and all that stuff. If it's not working by then, I'll turn the computer around to face it just in case.
I was gonna say, all the Amityville fans, there's like a lot of them in
There's
the
a
chat.
lot, yeah.
Like, good job. Y'all are really cheering on your team.
Yeah.
I love you,
Oh,
Amityville.
no, my phone's like really not high.
You know
for
what?
battery.
Oh, it's not charging.
It is charging.
Wait, it just said it.
Oh, you gotta do your
press down.
Duolingo.
I think mine's okay. Here we go. Share your camera. Yes. No. Oh, that's my face. All right.
15 minutes for 5.
Steven, put it up there.
In case you couldn't hear that, we have 15 minutes left. 5.
15
Oh,
minutes left.
Guys, do you guys
Oh, we
think-
got 1,100.
Oh, 6 more, 6
We're almost
more.
at 6 more, and he will do a jumping jack. Okay, it will be insane.
Unheard of.
the Earth,
It's
the Earth is
unheard
going
of,
to
of
quake.
coders to do jumping jacks. It's trying to load the camera. I don't know what's going on.
I'll be right
with that.
back, guys.
All right.
Everything looks okay on the camera.
The camera's on, but we're just having a little trouble actually getting it to work.
Oh,
1,195. It won't go. Yeah, I don't know what the issue is here. Yeah, it's really got some problems. In time, the camera's charging. Can anyone take
Someone
the
said
camera?
you could walk around with the camera.
Yeah, I would love to do that. I really wanted to do that, but the camera's charging. So, let's see if we can we get like a better power source here? Does anyone have something like
I have a phone.
My own,
what?
Like at 57. I don't know.
Actually, we could do that. Hold on. Open.
I can do whatever with my phone. I don't really care.
Let's open Safari and open a new tab. If I just copy this link.
Only
Nice.
5 more till the greatest
go.
jumping jack you'll ever see.
I already
No,
am
don't.
subscribed to my school account.
Ninja. Push. All right, I think we're gonna have the camera up and running any second now. I just gotta type in these letters, these random letters.
Will this give me access to TSARP's YouTube channel? Like,
No, it's
um,
totally disconnected.
That's disappointing.
oh, we're back at 90.
I like it.
We are still at 1,195 followers. So in case anyone else wants to, follow, please do. I don't know why I'm plugging their channel. Or giving them
Thanks
a
for plugging our channel.
but it's kind of part of the gig.
Oh my god, a
Anyway.
reset.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Some people want to like walk around with
Yeah, I know. We're trying to
Yeah.
get that going.
They're trying to connect my
Here,
phone to
I'm
it,
just
you know?
sending the link in
Wait, wait,
Discord.
I have a portable charger.
No, it's fine. We got us work around.
I did it.
You got Discord on your phone, right?
Yeah, I do.
See, man. Let's see.
Camera roll.
No, but other people are gonna now log into that.
Oh no.
I'll delete it.
To whoever asked the question about like moving the camera, we probably can move it around, right?
All right.
But we're
It's loading,
not
everyone.
gonna
The
disturb
camera
the
will
coders
be up and
because
running soon.
we're not gonna disturb
1
them 'cause
minute.
it's the final 10 minutes and they're really like stressed out and into it.
Yeah, it's
But
no,
we have 1 minute till capital
T-Man's
defense
on.
attacks launch and open. So get ready.
Yeah, we're
It's
having
gonna be
some bad. We're having
late.
some
The game.
trouble getting this to.
I was expecting the one team to like really dominate, but nothing really happened. It's all been like mainly consistent. Andrew, I have a portable charger. You can just like
Okay, give that to me. See if that works. But KCK.
beautiful. I love your beard sound.
All right, guys. I think this is the time. I think it's gonna work.
This just
Possibly,
in.
possibly not.
It might work.
It's loading. Let's see if it loads.
Some kids.
All right, it's loading. While it loads, let's take a look at the leaderboard in these final minutes here. Shelter Rock first with 12. Muncie Park second with 9. Hauppauge and Westside tied for third with 8. We need 5 more subscribers, guys, and Grant will do a jumping jack. How cool will that be?
I'm excited for this.
Cool.
This Wi-Fi is so bad. Your data isn't even doing well. It's trying to load, but it won't.
He's dissing my data right now, which is not very nice of him.
Sorry, I'm dissing your data.
Some schools, they all, actually a good amount of kids turned to us. It went, there's only 1 minute left, and asked us. And I kind of just stared at them, I'm not gonna lie.
Wow.
But I nodded. I did nod.
Oh, we gained 2 subscribers, right?
Yeah.
3 more needed, everyone.
3 more. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this would go a lot slower.
One.
It did go.
Development projects have now started.
Yeah.
It did go very slow in the beginning.
We're inside 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
I mean, the time kind of did go flying by.
It flies by every year, you know that.
Yeah, it does kind of fly by.
It flies by.
Yes. I might have to plug my own YouTube channel that I don't post on again.
You can plug it before we end, but like
Okay.
right before, when everyone's already turned off.
All right, I will do that. Don't worry,
Guys, we need 2 more. We're at 1,198.
I know how much everyone loves Zaylen.
Yeah, I know. Guys, I really want the camera to work.
Yeah, I think we all want to have the camera work, you know?
All right, come on, jumping jacks and 2 subscribers.
11.
Leaderboard the same. Let's see if we can get 1 more CDP. We've been trying to load one for a long time, and it's not even loading. It's just again.
Void Harbor go. Good to see, you know.
This one might
people
work.
rooting for the team that they like.
We had some clapping over there. I don't know.
Here, let me go check the leaderboard.
Oh yeah, are CDP attacks happening?
Oh.
Oh, there's one attack.
Very competitive.
No, we did it. Oh wait, hold on. You're gonna have to go back there. Should we clear the way? Should we?
Ready. See, I'm in here.
Wait. I have a question.
Yeah.
Should you do it right now, or should you do it at the very end, right there in the middle?
Maybe we'll do it right when it ends. You know, to celebrate both the subscribers and.
Oh, we got an extra one too.
Oh, we got an extra bonus.
For each extra one, you should do another one.
You should do it.
For every 5 extra.
Okay.
I don't think we're gonna get that many, but
Hey, you never know.
we already went up like
We
70.
gained 50 today. Oh no! What if it goes below? We should have just done it before it went below.
I did it.
All right. Okay, another CDP loaded. Let's play that one quick.
I think for now we just like
Go Bayville. Says
Yeah,
James.
well, this will probably be the last one we do until the winner. All right, 5-player. Okay.
Happy Slay Batty.
It's I collected them. Okay. This one.
$25.
I need to be able to shoot. I cannot shoot.
Shoot, just click.
Space. I'm
Oh,
trying
now
to
you have to
click.
wait 7 seconds.
Does it just automatically shoot?
Wait, hold up.
Let's see. There were none. There were instructions.
Check the caps. Yeah.
Let's see the instructions. Oh, beware of snowball snipers and dodging Soviet fighters. Clicking catch. No, there's no description. All right, press A to continue. Okay, I collected this guy. Let's see. Let me collect another. Okay, I think I'm doing well
West
here.
Side says Heather. Go
I think let me
Amityville
just keep
says
collecting
Sharon.
them.
LHS, I'm not sure which one that is. Says Jillian.
Guys, the camera's not working. We've been refreshing this for
Oh, yeah.
a long time. It's just the Wi-Fi. Oh, it worked. Hold on.
Shelter Rock still in first with 12 points. Muncie Park in
Turn
second
off
with 9
the
points.
alarm.
Someone did
Hop
something
Code
and
and Eagles
Amityville is
with
now
8 points.
clapping very much.
And
So,
there's some
maybe
CDP
Amityville is
attacks
gonna
going
make a
on
pull
over
through.
here.
We're not completely sure till the end of the game.
All right, let's see if this is gonna work now. The camera.
I think it's working.
It's loading.
Round.
I don't know. It's not.
Grant, I don't think you're gonna come with
We just hold this.
Oh, like, oh no.
No, you're gonna do.
He
We're
will
gonna
do
get
the
it
jumping
back up.
jack no
Don't
matter
you worry.
what. That's going good. It is good.
I love how you respond.
Yeah, I'll take it around.
All right. Well, we're trying here now. Zaylen's phone's working, but it won't load to the stream.
Shelter Rock, it has it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now it's got a swirly going there.
We're making
Loading.
progress.
A swirly, yes, a swirly.
This is very, very interesting.
Guys, I don't know if we're gonna hit 1,000 views. We're at 800.
Oh shoot, I can do like
right
this.
now. We've been going for 3.5 hours.
All right, right? If you still have a territory colored in your color, cannot be an auto gate, must be an actual project territory, then you can attack any team that does not have their color represented on the map as a territory. Auto gates don't count. You have to have an actual territory to start attacking. And only one project per territory. You can't use it someplace else for the same project in two places.
Let's see. Oh, we hit it again.
would
We
you
hit
look
the
at that?
subscribers again.
Great. Oh, we're at 140 viewers. So I think this is a better time than ever to,
To do the jumping jack?
Yeah. That.
I'm so angry that this thing won't work. This video.
I think mine's broken, Andrew.
I was trying hard here to get the video going, but I don't know if we're
Andrew,
gonna
I
be
think
able
mine's
to.
broken.
Let's see. Can I get the video of him? Guys, I'm trying.
4 minutes. 4.
Oh, wait, hold on.
In case you couldn't hear that, that was 4 minutes.
I can hear him loud and clear.
4 minutes.
All right.
Oh, we have
Still
3 minutes
trying
and
to load.
45 seconds left. Oh, yeah. It is a very close game. Shelter Rock is still in
Alright.
first with 10 points, but closely behind them with 8 points is Muncie Park and Shining Star Coders.
Oh, yeah, it's close. We see.
We also love the 5 points.
There's a lot of people tied for fourth.
Oh, yeah, there are a lot of people tied for fourth
And
No,
and
fourth.
third and second.
Fourth. They're tied for fourth. No, there's one person in third.
Everyone in the game either has 5 points.
Wait,
Oh,
I'm
no, never
confused.
mind. Never mind. I'm
Wait,
going to
no, I
ignore
think
that
my numbers
sentence.
are showing up weird. Oh, there's 2 people. Oh, they're tied for third. See, it's showing up there. It looks like one's a 9 and one's an 8 on that screen.
It appears we have 141 viewers now.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. We're nearing the end.
It's
What
actually
are we
2
ever
minutes.
gonna
3 minutes.
do?
It's almost there, guys. The competition's almost over.
Thank you for watching for like this 2 hours and
But that's not the end because there's
57
so much that
minutes.
can happen
We're in
after
the
that.
final
People can still
3.
win
Thank you for all
after
your
the actual
support.
competition ends because judging's still going. And hey, we got 2 more hackathons this season coming up.
And an episode of TSARP today at 5.
Oh, and an episode of TSARP today if you want to tune in. We'll probably be talking about some trending tech news.
We are all bunched up here. There's a lot to go. Keep pushing.
They're really pushing to try to change it up. Yeah, that camera's still not loading. All right, let's take a look at that leaderboard. 10 and 2 tied for 8.
11
all
and
that.
8.
Thank you, the 141 of you who are currently watching.
The judging's going to be wild. Anyone can take it.
All right, I'm gonna do my jumping jack.
All right, yeah, wait, you should time it right for when it ends.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes.
2 minutes.
Grant, you should get ready right in the center.
Oh,
Get ready, Grant.
I'm not going to the center. I'm gonna go right here.
No, he has to
We
go
gained
to the
another
center.
subscriber. You're going to
Just
do it right there.
3 jumping jacks then, huh?
Why did you come up with this idea of doing jumping jacks?
I don't know why it was a jumping jack.
You're right. You're right. It's working.
Rather have a jumping jack in public.
We
Oh,
have
he
a
did
minute and
say he
30
will do
seconds.
push-ups, but it has to be under the table.
I'm gonna. Yeah. By the way, when the thing ends, if the camera's still not working, the second camera will just turn the laptop around so you can see.
Yeah, it'll show all the students like cheering for
Yeah.
their team, you know.
909 views.
And then I guess technically we could disappear and walk around the room,
You know, see some teams that we aren't biased to.
even though I just broke my finger. No, it's fine. All right. What? Oh, he's about to say 1 minute. You ready?
He's gonna say 1 minute.
1 minute. 1 minute. Oh, there you go.
Down the stretch they come.
He's
I
really
knew
excited
they were
there.
gonna say 1 minute.
1:59.
All right, come on,
48,
everyone.
47, 46,
You
45,
can do this.
44.
Okay, we don't need to individually.
42, 41, 40.
No, no.
My fault.
Andrew, you know what this reminds
Yeah.
me of?
Yeah.
When I submitted
I've been
very
told to
last
shut up.
second.
Yeah. All right, come on, guys. The final 30 seconds
30
is here.
seconds. 30 seconds.
30 seconds, everyone. He's going to say 5, and I'm going to be like
20, 19,
18, 17, 16, 15, 13, 13, 12, 9,
We got
8,
10 seconds.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there you go.
New Year!
There you go.
Yay!
Awesome job. Awesome job.
Awesome job, everyone.
Board. Give the
No.
judges time now to do it.
Let's turn the camera around a little bit.
Awesome job by everyone.
We're gonna get the other awards now, like the best capital defense, best
Yeah, the other awards are about to start.
and then we're gonna get the winner of the whole competition. It's currently
All right,
Shelter
there they
Rock, but
go.
they have a lot of attacks on them. Anything can change.
All right. Is this mine?
Yes.
Who knows? Maybe should I commentate from over there? Here, let's walk around. All right, we're now commentating from this side of the room. All right, everyone.
Hey guys,
Hello.
we're going from here because
What if we just interview people on the spot? Like,
who wants to be interviewed?
all right.
All right, everybody.
Okay, maybe some of us sit down because
Now remember, all teams worked on banner. They worked on team logo. And the team here were so insanely good. It took multiple rounds of judging and tie breaking and more tie breaking to try to get to a winner. We were so undecided. You guys just did an amazing job. So while we're waiting for the judges to finalize,
I
listen
have the
up.
mic now.
We're gonna call out third, second, and first, third, second. Stand up when your team name is called. First place, please come up. You're gonna get a certificate here, and then we'll deliver plaques to the school. All right, Dom, can you ready?
I missed my plaque.
you ready,
All right, thank you,
everyone?
Laura.
testing.
It works.
Testing.
It works.
Hey Sam, remember our plaque?
I gotta flip it on my shirt so I can clap.
Steven's got a mic over there too. He's holding his
Hi.
big mic.
I think I was muted when you said that.
All right, the awards are.
Hi.
What is this? Logo?
I'm
Yes,
not sure
Sam
what's
is
first.
very
We'll have
happy
to
be
see.
here.
I love this. I love this.
Say hi to the mic, Zaylin.
Okay,
Hi, Mike.
Everyone's attention, please. May I have your attention, please?
Oh, that's what he wanted to say to us? Very inspirational.
4. Third place, and when you are announced, please stand up to be recognized. First place, make sure you come up. Coming in third place for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team Banner. Third place, your home team, the Mineola Cyber Mustang.
If you didn't
Please
hear that,
stand and be
third place,
recognized.
Mineola
Whoa,
for
it's
best
Kev.
best
Thank
banner.
you for hosting us as well. In second place for the Best Team Banner, Upper Elementary 2024. The Locust Valley Falcon Hackers.
Locust Valley, second place, best banner.
That is the kind of enthusiasm we want to see, by the way.
Very enthusiastic. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
And we'd ask you to come up when you're called. Coming in first place for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team Banner. From the Bethpage School District, the Campaign Crazy Coders. Come on down.
First place for banner,
Congratulations,
Beth Page,
Bethpage.
Campaign Crazy Coders.
Good job, Best Page.
There they go.
Great job.
A banner is really tough to design because it has to be like in landscape mode. You
Yeah.
have to incorporate all your team's elements in one banner. Logos can be easier because they're animated. But with these, they're
We should shift over so we're not in the photo.
Better be.
We're checking the map. The map's still up. You will see immediately the map will switch to the winner when the winner is picked. So we're looking at the map. We're seeing.
Great job.
In the center, you can see all the people that just won Best Banner.
Give it up for the Campaign Crazy Coders.
Hooray!
Okay, for our next award, can I have your attention, please? Ladies and gentlemen, for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team logo, this came down to 2 votes. We had a tie the first round. This came down to 2 votes. It was a 3-way tie. So we came down to the second ballot. Coming in third place for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team logo. Willits Road, Hack to the Future. Please stand and be acknowledged.
Excellent.
Exciting news.
In second place, and again, don't forget this was a 3-way tie originally. The Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team logo from the Hopog School District, the Coding Eaglets.
Coding
I love
Eaglets.
these guys.
Yeah.
Second place, best logo.
We all know second is actually first.
And now, for your round 2 tiebreaker, first place finish for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Team logo. They represent the Manhasset coding dynasty, the Muncie Park Tigers. Come on up, Tigers.
Muncie Park Tigers win best
Muncie
logo.
Park gets best logo for the upper elementary division.
Congrats to everyone that won or came in close on the banners and the logos.
Congratulations. That was the closest and the toughest tiebreaker we have ever had.
Congrats to
It was a
Muncie
really
Park
tough
again on the
call.
logo.
And Manhasset, Muncie Park won.
No, those three. Were the ones that.
Next up, they're going to call best CDP.
And congrats to Bethpage on best banner. We still got one more competition coming up, though, the best CDP. After that, obviously, we have the whole thing, the reason we're here, the rest of the competition. We will find out the winner of this year's 2024 UE Code
Way to go,
Conquest.
Manhasset. Great job.
guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Capital Defense Project. When your team is called, please stand and be recognized. For third place, representing Bethpage, the campaign Crazy Coders. Please stand and be
Bethpage gets
recognized.
third place for the best capital events.
For second place, for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Capital Defense Project. From Manhasset School District, the Shelter Rock Storm.
Manhasset Shelter Rock at second place for the best CDP. Good job.
And for first place, for the Upper Elementary 2024 Best Capital Defense Project. Your home team, the Mini Cyber Mustangs.
Get best capital defense.
We showed it earlier. It was a pretty good project, I must say.
Huh?
Hey Grant, would you have anything to say about betting winner?
I think I saw theirs and it was pretty good. And yeah.
Pretty good.
They won, yeah, good job.
Sam just did air quotes around pretty good. I don't know if you could hear that.
Are you insulting us?
So the best part about it is I think it peaks every time it peaks.
Great job, home team Mineola, #1 capital defense.
Please stay tuned.
Congrats to Mineola on best CDP.
They're our home team on our Capital Defense Project. Okay, we're almost there. Just a minute or two. And we also have a lost sweatshirt.
Oh no, a lost sweatshirt.
It's the one
If it's any of you guys on the live stream,
It's the one he just took
come
off.
to
Okay.
Mineola to claim it.
Radio. We did not hit 1,000 views.
Oh no, doesn't look like we're gonna be hitting
Just
those
sit tight. We're
1,000
almost
views.
there. We're almost there.
Almost there.
Okay, we're about to have our winner.
We got our winner.
About to have the winner.
I'm just waiting for them to announce it.
And your Winter Conquest Code Conquest winner is
Shelter Rock.
Zuckerman.
Go Shelter Rock.
You heard it there first, or
Shelter Rock
here
Manhasset
first.
wins the
Shelter Rock won.
Upper Elementary.
Shelter Rock Storm Manhasset. Let's pull up. They're gonna come up and they're gonna claim their trophy over there. It's a little far away, but you can see it. And then I'll try to get the full leaderboard up for you guys here.
988 project submissions.
This is
All
absolutely
right, there you go. That
crazy.
is the full leaderboard. Oh, sorry. All right, there you go. Muncie Park in second. Muncie Park in second. Oh, I think Muncie Park tied with Shining Star Coders, West Side Whalers, and then Hopog in third, tied with Crystal Coders and Islip Hackers.
Want to compliment everybody with a great job. Funny who defeated for their tremendous job.
All right, we might. Let me see if we can interview maybe someone over there, maybe their captain. I'll have to see if we can get them in front of the desk. They're over there. The winners, congrats again to Shelter Rock. Oh God, almost tripped. To Shelter Rock, Manhasset.
Please exit out the two back doors and the back of the gym.
All right, looks like we're gonna have to get going here, but let's see. Maybe I can get a little interview here. I don't know. I don't want to. I don't want to intrude. I don't know. All right. I was thinking of getting for here.
Captain, we want to do it. We want an interview with the captain.
This was absolutely crazy, guys, and I
right.
believe we will be
So
interviewing the
just right in front,
captain
we got
in
the
a short
camera over
few
here.
moments.
Okay, so we got the Super
All right, so I got the captain here of the Manhasset. How does it feel to be the winning captain of the team?
It feels good.
Great. How did your team do overall? You think they were all in it?
Pretty good.
Yeah, well, I mean, you won, so you had to do pretty well. Well, congrats on your win. I hope you bring the success into the future years and keep on winning.
Thank you.
Right. Have fun. All right, there you go. Well, thank you all for tuning in. I hope to see you in the next few live streams and the next hackathons. And
please come forward.
and tune in later today for a recap of this all and even more tech news every single day. Bye, everyone.